that he has met a road accident. That is the reason for which he has sustained some injury, that resulting no instruction and no steps, and that's why
Sorry.
he has met a road accident, my lord, resulting
This person.
no instruction to the concerned advocate and resulting, my lord, the NBW. And it's a criminal, the 130 NI Act complaint.
Where is your accident? We have any proof of accident?
No, no, well, I have not seen.
That you should have filed. Accident means there must be some medical document, something.
On the way, my lord, he met accident because of this.
Orally should have filed something, medical document. He is made with really.
130 NI Act.
I'm giving 2-3 days time to file this Monday.
My lord, last time, my lord, has got.
If you have really have made with an accident, otherwise it can't be. That's it.
My last time, my lord, has granted.
I've granted, but this person
On 11/7, my lord, may see the date. On 11/7, it has been filed, and 3 days after only 5, not a delay, my lord. Just after the things, my lord, I have come up. Within 7 days, I will surrender, my lord. And go on.
Next.
Item number 2.
Technically taken up after launch, my lord. Vasavarman.
After lunch.
My lord.
Okay.
Item number 3.
3.
This is the matter selection of Anganwadi worker, my lord. Advertisement was
You
issued.
prepare relative merit chart. You have prepared relative merit chart. What are you challenging? You are challenging that you should have been selected, the other person have been selected.
My lord.
So prepare this relative merit chart. This is the merit. This person secures this mark, the other person secures this mark. This person belongs to this village, this person belongs to this village. This is the certificate.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Sorry. No, argue now, but I'm saying everybody should do this. Whenever you are arguing Anganwadi, Sikkha, Sahayak and blah, 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 where there is a question of relative merit. I mean, this person should have been appointed, this person should not have been appointed like this. And you should give a short note of that. You should do some work, na. Only actually padi dele padele. Anything wrong. Good mehnat kariye na tike. Say mehnat pe darkar eta karuchi. I want to touch rahiba boli. Exam preparation houni. Sidha asiki bosi padichandi exam hall re. Ara jo sidha. Na bohi anuchandi na khata anuchandi.
2021 advertisement was issued for the post of Anganwadi worker.
Show me the advertisement.
Page 18, annexure 2.
Page 18.
My lord.
So, Anganwadi, which village?
Serial number 5, Konkoda Anganwadi Center, village, my lord, Betar Singh.
Konkoda hochi, yar Gram Panchayat hochi,
Betar Singh.
Co district.
Gajpati district.
Gajpati. Kaun tabare?
Petitioner and other candidates applied for the said post, and petitioner opposite part number 2 secured higher mark, but she is not the resident of that Anganwadi center area, and second highest mark is the petitioner, so she has been selected.
You have been selected?
My lord.
And you work for how many years?
Since 30/10/2021.
You are selected on 30/10/2021.
Petitioner selected. Annexure 5, page 32. My engagement order.
Then you work for how many days? You served that.
Since 9/5/2023, petitioner work.
You joined
on
2021 and you joined in 2023.
21.
You continued there.
Continued there till 9/5. Till
9/5/23.
23.
So you are dislodged.
My lord.
By the order of the appellate authority.
My lord. Thereafter,
what is the ground? What is the ground?
Ground of challenge appellate authority, opposite part number 5, filed a appeal petition before the
what is the order? What is the order?
Annexure 6.
Annexure 6.
Page 33.
I have already read that. You read it.
Last paragraph.
Out of 6 candidates, 2 numbers of candidates, Srimati Brundavati Raita and Srimati Sanjita Bhuyan. You are for Sanjita Bhuyan.
Surabhi Kumar Pradhan.
You are for Surabhi Pradhan.
My lord.
were rejected due to absent during the document structure. Then another one, Srimati Benulata Raita was also rejected due to adoption. Srimati Surabhi Kumari Pradhan, Srimati Anjali Kahar, and Srimati Sunita Pradhan were remained as the eligible candidate in the selection list. Okay. The Anganwadi survey report, Kankada,
Concord.
AWC under ICDS project now submitted by Srimati Sukandra Pradhan, committee meeting. The report that is the appellant, her family was not interested in the Kankada survey register. So if that lady is not from your village.
No, my lord. At that point, when the advertisement was published,
She is enlisted in Batar Singh AWC area,
my lord,
but not in the Kankada AWC.
my lord.
The selection committee based on the above reports, the rejected application. Okay. Then the appellant argued the point that her father-in-law has been living in Kankada village for 55 years, and also the Tahsildar Noagada has issued Noagada certificate. The indicates her village Kankada. In the observation, they found the person. But she has residential certificate.
When she was applied for the Anganwadi worker, at that
What is the last date for application? Is the advertising? What is the last date? Last date?
last date is 27/2021.
20?
7/2021.
But her certificate was issued on 13/7/2021.
At that point of time, she was not submitted. That's why
Letter she might have given. Letter she might have approached and given.
she has also not filed any objection during that
In
period.
view of the above, Tahsildar Noagada was directed to Vids and so inquire about the permanent and present resident of the plan and report indicating house number of Moja along with local inquiry report. Statement of village so he was further directed to assist.
Subsequently, after
CDPO
completion
Noagada
of
is
the
also directed to report and so. In response to the letter, the Tahsildar Noagada submitted report and all the from village Kankada. Throughout.
but she was not submitted, my lord. That is my case.
Yes. How do you know this is not submitted?
That's why she has not been selected and petitioner has been selected. And she has not filed any objection during that period, my lord.
Let notice go. We'll see what she is saying, the opposite side.
My lord.
Page 39, Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 39, man. Annexure 6, running page 39, man. On observation, it is found that the village Kankada was under R. Udayagiri Tahsil. After creation of Nuagar Tahsil on bifurcation from R. Udayagiri Tahsil, it came under Nuagar Tahsil. Village Kankada was under the service area of Mahulapada AWC under ICDS projects Nuagar. But the appellant means the present opposite party, private opposite party. But the appellant, her family and other three householders were enlisted in Batar Singh AWC survey list, though all other households of Kankada village were under Mahulapada AWC. They should have been enlisted in Mahulapada AWC area and consequently under Kankada AWC area after creation of the new AWC in village Kankada. This improper survey has been caused at the level of ICDS project Nuagar. The Tahsildar, next para, the Tahsildar Nuagar has rightly issued the resident certificate to the appellant, being a resident of Kankada village.
He is not disputing that.
My Lord and friend's contention is that during that period he has not raised any objection.
Not original objection number one. Now at that time, perhaps she has not filed the residential certificate.
My lord.
Had there been residential certificate, they would have considered in the first go.
My lord.
And this situation would not have arisen to appoint him. So that is her contention. So
Your Lordship may issue notice.
let's. The petition has filed the present petition challenging the challenging the order dated 11/1/2023 passed by the opposite party number 3 by allowing the appeal of opposite party number 5, directing the Child Development Officer Nuagada to reconvene and consider the case of the appellant for engagement as Anganwadi worker of Kankada Anganwadi Center. The petitioner further challenges the order dated 9/5/2023 in engaging the opposite party number 5 as Anganwadi worker of Kankada Anganwadi Center, which is illegal and arbitrary. Petitioner is agreed by the impugned action of the CDPO. CDPO, which has
ADM, my lord,
ADM.
ADM,
Oh, sorry, ADM.
opposite part number
which has
3.
Arbitrarily appointed the opposite party number 5. Appointment he is.
My lord, hey jaichi, no 5 ru.
5, despite the fact that the opposite party number 5 had not submitted the residential certificate before the last date of submission of the submission for the post of Anganwadi worker. He further submits that the petitioner had secured the second hash mark.
Second hash.
Second hash mark. And he had the valid residential certificate, hence he was selected by the selection committee. Despite the fact that the opposite party number 5 had not submitted the valid residential certificate during the scrutiny. She was or delivered and accepted, which constrained her to appeal this court, issue notice. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You
4 extra copy.
I'll transfer that picture to share copy of the to the state. Opinion of 5 shall be registered post. This is the matter of September 1st.
Well.
Next.
I may be excused, item number 55. Your lordship has directed the CDPO Baliguda to be present at 12:30.
65 at the night?
55.
Oh, 55. I thought 65. What is the issue? I don't remember.
My lord, if your lordship would remember that without cancelling the first notification.
Okay, I got it. Without cancelling the first, she
Again, she has notified another.
and she has selected another,
She is selected.
and that is now selectee. Now she is the selectee.
My lord.
She is continuing.
My lord,
No.
no, she has
No,
been
no.
transferred.
No.
Earlier
Matter-
the CDPO,
She is
Appear.
the CDPO who has done it.
she was there.
Oh, she was there earlier, now that's
My
what I'm
lord, my
saying.
lord.
So the question is, there was an advertisement, selection was done,
No, no,
no?
there was no selection. Advertisement, only advertisement issued.
Issued,
There, no processing.
everybody applied.
Applied.
Those-
Then suddenly they cancelled.
No,
No.
they have not cancelled. Again,
Yeah.
another note.
Another, without
Right.
cancelling another advertisement.
Another notification, those who are applied.
Ah.
ସେଇଥିରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେନି, ଏଇଥିରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କନସିଡର
ଆଉ
କରିକି
କରାଯାଇନି।
ନା
କରାଯାଇଛି।
ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରାହେଇନି।
ନାଇଁ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। They will be
ଜୋନ୍ ଅଫ କନସିଡର କୁ ନିଆଯାଇଥିଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ତ ଫର ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ?
ସେଇଟା ତ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ। I am the
ତାର କାହିଁ
student of
ଅସୁବିଧା
the
ହେଲା କୋର୍ଟକୁ?
lordship.
କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ତ କୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଆଇଛନ୍ତି?
कोर्ट को आसिलो एइथि ପାଇଁ ପୁରା ସେ ମାନେ ଆମ ମୋ ପିଟିशन
जदि से कहले ठीक अच्छी गोटे आम कैंसिल कलु जो मैंने अप्लाई ऑलरेडी करछथि तांको आउथरे करबा दरकार नै हम सेवन को भी जोन ऑफ कंसिडरेशन को नेउ बोली कहले तो निया हला आपण सिलेक्शन आपण हेलानी
आम मु होची फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट रे फर्स्ट होची स्टूड ऑफ द
सर फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट माने तो आपण कहउछथि सिलेक्शन हेइनी मैं फर्स्ट मेरिट आइला को
ना ना
फर्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे आपण सिलेक्शन हेइनी
ना
हेइनी ना ताले फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट आसला कोडू
ना, ना,
सेकंड
merit list
सेकंड
रे-
एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे आपण मेरिट लिस्ट आपण केते नंबर थिले
सेकंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे मु अप्लाई करली
अप्लाई करले
अप्लाई करली
हां
एवं सेकंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे जो माने अप्लाई करले फर्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे जो माने अप्लाई करिथिले से माने आ सेकंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट जेतोळे बाहरला से माने को मना करले जे अप्लाई
करे
କରିବା
दरकार नै
ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ନାହିଁ,
ऑटोमेटिक
ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ consider कले जे-
निया गला कंसीडरेशन को
Lordship।
तो फिर असुविधा कोठी
असुविधा एया जे से अपोजिट पार्टी नंबर 4 जे से अपील फाइल करले
हाँ।
अपील रे मु डिसएंगेज हे गेली मु कंटिन्यू करूथिली
तो आपण सिलेक्शन आपण हेइतिला
आगे।
so you don't have quarrel with the first advertisement second advertisement blah 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 your quarrel is that this the opposite party number 4 took over your chance right
मु 2018 रु 2022 पर्यंत कंटिन्यू कर
ताले याकर माने एडवर्टाइजमेंट के इशू नहीं
एडवर्टाइजमेंट
issue
इशू
नहीं।
कोठे
so issue is basically then on what ground you have
सेही ग्राउंड रे देयर
Who
इज
ground?
नो रीजन ओनली अपीलेट अथॉरिटी
हाँ।
अपील रे करिसंती जे देयर इज नो रीजन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैंसिल न करी कि सेकंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट करले
से कॉले ना छाड़ अपील ऑर्डर दे ऑर्डर कौन कहले आपण को ग्राउंड रे डिसएंगेज कॉल
ओनली ग्राउंड देयर इज नो रीजन ऑफ द कैंसिलेशन ऑफ द
अरे मैडम एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैंसिल हो गला तापर सेकंड से इशू तो गला सेटा छाड़ंतु से इशू
से
काई
गोटे ग्राउंड
सेटा गोटे ग्राउंड केम दिला
सेई
आपण
गोटे
रिलेटिव
ground
मेरिट
रे मते
आपण
cancel।
मार्क अछि अधिका केते मार्क अछि
मोर अछि मार्क 59.33
सार
जो
कैंडिडेट केते अछि
opposite
जे
party
जाकू
number
देले तार केते अछि
55.13
आपनकर 59
59.3
55
55
तो आपनकर आपण काढिवार रेजिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट आपण थिला
सब रेसिडेंट्स तांकर भी ठीक
तो
अछि हमर
कोन
भी
पई
ठीक
ताकू
अछि
59 वाला को ये 55 वाला को दिया होची सर कोन
That
दिया
the- who has challenged 7 दिन ପରେ जोटा ऑब्जेक्शन दबा कथा ताकू देलेनी तापरे अपियर करले एग्जामिनेशन बसिले वेरिफिकेशन रे बसिले तापरे ऑब्जेक्शन करी
को ग्राउंड रे तांको दिया हला सर 55 वाला कोन पाइबो 59 वाला थाई हो
My lord, what has happened?
यस
The appellate authority
हां
has held that without cancelling or without taking
अरे सर कैंसिलिंग सब जो भी सब कैंसिलिंग नॉन भी कले सपोज कौन न कले त से जो माने अप्लाई कर तांको तो नहीं होना हला आनी गाले से लिखा हितबा ना इन सुपरसेशन ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट आले किछि भी लिखा हितबा निश्चय आले एडवर्टाइजमेंट को ये किछि लिखा हित
किछि लेखा
मैडम आईसीडीएस बालीगुडा आपण गुटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट थाउ तो बिना कैंसिल करी केमती आपण आ गुटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट बाहर कर देले ता निज लोक को पुरेवार थिला
सर नमस्कार
आपण आंसर दियंतु आपण गुटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट थाउ थाउ आ गुटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट केमती बाहर कले निज लोक को पुरेया पई
सर अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर सिलेक्शन कमिटी रो चेयरपर्सन होचंती सब कलेक्टर चेयरपर्सन को अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर सिलेक्शन कमिटी रो निर्देशक अनुसार री नोटिफिकेशन
माने
कराइतिला
काहे की निर्देश सेंती देले किछि तो कहितबे आपण को
सर पूर्वरु किछि जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट कराइतिला किछि भी प्रोसेसिंग हेइ नथिला
तो
कोनोसी
आपण
काम
कैंसिल करिवेनी आपण एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखिवेनी जे हमें कैंसिल कलु आ सेकंड बा फ्रेश करूछु बोली कहलेनी कहबेनी
सर कमिटी रो चेयरपर्सन को निर्देशक अनुसार
के कमिटी
कराइतिला सर
चेयरपर्सन ताको डाको कमिटी चेयरपर्सन आज डाकी एबे सेकंड हाफ रे डाको के कमिटी चेयरपर्सन के थिले कमिटी चेयरपर्सन मैडम
सर सेतेबेले सर बलराम बाजी थिले हमरो सब कलेक्टर बलराम मल्लिक
एबे से कोठी अछंती
सर मु कहि परबिनी सर
सब
मु
जानि छथि आपण आपण सब जानि छथि की कोठी ऑफिसर मन जाना दे आपण तार घर आपण किंतु हमें बाहर कलु से जगह आपण नाहंती सेमती हमें तांको भी बाहर करिवु କୋଉଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସାର୍, ମୁଁ ବୁଝିକି ବରଂ କହିପାରିବି।
କେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ କହିବେ ବୁଝିକିରି ହେଲା ଏବେ ପତା ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ ସେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ କୋଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଠି ଥିବେ ତାକୁ ଡକାହବ ହେଲା ଆଉ ବୁଝିକି ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଆଉଥରେ ଓକେ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ପଳେଇବେନି ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ପୁଣି ବାହାରିବେ ଏଇ ଭିତରେ
ନମସ୍କାର ସାର୍।
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦେଖିବା କି
Here the petitioner has questioned the appointment of OP number 3 as Anganwadi workers, as well as the confirmation order passed by the
रिलेटिव मेरिट चार्ट काई केही दउनाहांती रिलेटिव मेरिट चार्ट काई दउनाहांती आपण
Only-
एते सीनियर
एथे एका मेरिट का सिंपल कथा हो जे
सिंपल कथा मु बुझे
only point of law
एटे कम चाले मोर
ना सर आपण मते 1 मिनिट ना मु एथि बोले सबुडा एडमिटेड बट नथिंग डिस्प्यूटेड
आई एम ए नो ब्रेनर
ना 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 I cannot say
नो ब्रेनर प्लीज गिव मी ए स्मॉल ब्रेन
only one thing the
Ah.
only questionable law
Yes.
whether the person without having the eligibility criteria can at all be considered, that is the only question,
ओके
only the question.
से
तांकर क्राइटेरिया हो जे रेसिडेंस सर्टिफिकेट नथिला एडमिटेडली एवं that is the
रेजिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट नॉट
residence certificate by the last date they failed to produce
ओके नॉट
नथिला से सब्सिक्वेंटली प्रोड्यूस करले
जे
एवं ताकू से
तांको-
कंसीडरेशन करके देजन, that is the only question, whether that can be permissible or not, that is the only legal question. How किछि how everything admitted.
अच्छा तांकर ये समस्तक पई लिखिथिले जे
Yes yes advertisement last date
जस्ट ठीक है मु कहि सारी
आगे सर
ସେଇଥିରେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ବି ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା କି ଯଦି ଯାହାର ନଥିବ within 7 days କି 10 days ଭିତରେ ଦେଲେ ଚଳିବ
not consideration ହବନି, no clear ଲେଖା no not consider ପଡୁଛି କୌଣସି
ଅଣ୍ଡରଟେକିଂ ଏଟା ଚଳିବନି ରାଇଟ୍
ଦରଖାସ୍ତ
No, right?
ବିଚାର ଦିଆଯିବ ନାହିଁ, ପୁରା କ୍ଲିୟର ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ନବାର ଚାନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପିଲ ଅଥରିଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାକୁ ପାସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ପୁଣି ସେ ଏଗେନ୍ ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଭାଉଲେସନ ପଠେଇଲେ ନା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଆପିଲ ଅଥରିଟି ପୁଣି ତାକୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରିଦେଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପିଲ କହିଲେ नो बिकॉज द पर्सन डिड नॉट possess the requisite
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବୟସ କେତେ
ମୋ ବୟସ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଦେଖିକି କେତେ
ଆପଣ ବୟସ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଲେ
ଦେଖୁଛି କେତେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଓ ସରି ଭୁଲ ଡବଲ
ନା ନା ଏଟା 23 ବର୍ଷ
ରଙ୍ଗ କ୍ଲିକିଂ
ନା ନାଇଁ
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସରି ଏଟା କେତେ
Item 4.
4 ମୁଁ 5
23 ନା କେତେ ମୁଁ ତରତର ହେଇକି ଭୁଲ କହିବି ଦେଖିଆ
58 वाला କାଇଁ ଏତେ ଲଡୁଛି
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି
ସେଇଟା ଲେଟ୍ ରେ 58 ଥିଲା
ନା ନା 58 नो ଏରେ 23 ନା 24 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଥିବ हैं भूल है 29 वर्ष
अच्छा so your grievance is that you are the highest scorer
no I am not the high scorer, the another person the high scorer he but my question is it should not be
Just hold
considered
on. What is your score
my score is 2 mark less
2 mark
2 mark admitted that everything is admitted but my entire
So,
your question of law is
otherwise you had submitted the residential
yes
certificate.
my subject there
So that candidate did not submit.
did not submit and subsequently submitted
Subsequently
submitted and the
subsequently how did you allow, sir?
Your lordship kindly see the 52, page 52. Para 12.
केते पेज 54
ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ସବୁଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ କହିଲେ ଜାଣିଛ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଏଇ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ କିଏ ଯେ ହେଡ୍ ଥାଏ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ କୋଉ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ women and child development secretary କୁ ଡାକିବା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ରେମ କର ପଲିସି ଆଉ ଯିଏ ଦେଇନି ହି ଇଜ ଗନ୍ ଫରଏଭର ଆଉ ପଛରେ ଯୋଉ ନିଆ ଅଣା ଚାଲିଛି ଆଣିକି ଦେଇଦେଲା ପଛରେ ବ୍ୟାକଡୋର ପଶେଇଦେଲା ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ବନ୍ଦ ହବା ଦରକାର ନହେଲେ ଅନଲେସଲି ଲିଟିଗେସନ ହବ ସବୁ ରୁଟ୍ କୁ ଯିବା କଥା ରୁଟ୍ ଗଲେ ଲିଟିଗେସନ କମିଯିବ ଏତେ ଦୂର କାହିଁ ଲୋକ ଦୌଡ଼ିବେ ଛାଡ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର କଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇଦେବି 15-20 ହଜାର ଗଲେ ସବୁ ତହସିଲଦାର ସାବାଡ ହେଇଯିବେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ
2016 ରେ
ଦେଲା କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ
sorry
ଆପଣ ପରେ ସବୁ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଏଇ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦିଆହବ ଏତିକି ସିଟିଜେନ ଚାର୍ଟର ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଏତିକି ଦିଆ ଏଟା ଏତିକି ଦିନ ସେ ଭିତରେ କାହିଁ ଦେବନି ସେ ସେଟା ନଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଫାଇନ କରିବା ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରିଛନ୍ତି if some officer is not doing that within that particular time have you just have you got the any scheme of giving them some disincentive have you got it kebe apply kala kebe paila kuhantu
that has not been reflected in the order, but it has been reflected that a inquiry report was conducted where the
sir one thing whatever may be the reason
But-
ସେ apply କଲା ନ କଲା ପରେ ପାଇଲା ତା ଦୋଷ ନୁହେଁ ମୋ ଦୋଷ ନୁହେଁ ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଆଭଏଡ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ the best thing is you stick to your date if anybody has not filed within
That's
that
true.
date just simply ignore it କିଏ ପାଇଲା ନ ପାଇଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ ପାଇଲା ସେ ଯାଇକି ତାର ସବୁ
that
ବୁଝିବ
should have been done. That should have been done.
that is the only thing if you just backdoor ରେ ମଝିରେ କିଏ ଆଇଲା ଦେଇଦେଲା ଚୁପଚାପ ନେଇକି ଫାଇଲ ରେ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଲେ Should have come on.
The,
Should
uh,
have-
the,
that's
the,
creating
the
the
selection committee doesn't have any
Laga.
discretion to extend the date, my lord.
You should
But-
notice for that.
My lord.
The petitioner who was an applicant for the post of Anganwadi worker for Sahant Tuada, additional Anganwadi center under
Sana Hantuad.
Sahant
Sana
Tuada.
Hantuad. Sana Hantuad.
Sanna Tuada.
Hmm.
Very difficult.
Banpur.
Anganwadi center under Banpur block in the district of Khurda has filed the present writ petition challenging the order dated 36/2023 passed by the ADM Khurda in Anganwadi appeal case number 3 of 2017 on the ground of clear non-application of mind. On the ground of arbitrary. The grievance of the petitioner is that the opposite party number
3.
3, though ସେ ଯୋଉ ଏବେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଇଏ ୟାର ହେଇଛି ତ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ୟାକୁ
Sorry,
ହଟେଇକି
sir,
ୟାକୁ
आपला
ଦିଆହେଇଛି।
5. Eh?
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହଟେଇକି ୟାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି।
ସେ ତ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ ମତେ ମୋ କନସେସନ ନେଲେନି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରଖିଲି ମାର୍କ ରେ
The selection of opposite party number 5 is under cloud since she had not submitted the
ରେସିଡେନ୍ସି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
residential certificate
within the cut of date.
before the cut-off date
Before the cut.
of submission of the
The advertisement
application
form.
form. Full stop. She she has subsequently sneaked into her certificate has sufficiently has sneaked into the file belatedly, and later she the said residential certificate has been considered to be considered, and she has been appointed. Hence, he is constrained to approach this court. Issue notice to OP number 12345, 1234, Learned Constable State, Mr. will waves of notice. And the 5 by registered post. This is the matter on 31st August.
31st August. Yeah. Oblige.
Item number
Let's see.
5.
If that is so, the Tahsildar has delayed in issuing the certificate. The Tahsildar will pay a good amount of.
Whatever your lordship pleases.
I know what I mean. Next,
Item number 5.
5 is a compensation for land acquisition. I think it is.
the compensation land acquisition won't come here. This
Fine.
is a case for compensation for land acquisition.
It
which-
is, without paying any compensation.
Sir,
the-
compensation रा एठी आसबनी land acquisition compensation अलगा कोड जो अलगा bench.
It is gratia compensation.
This is my other than land.
Appropriate.
Let it be placed with the applicable definitive situation.
May pray at the earliest, it may say, I mean,
He will decide how can I say that. Next.
because they are going to execute the thing even without paying. it.
Immediately.
At the earliest, that may be, I will try, man.
There is a transition of chief justice, it may not be that early. So, right. Next,
Item number 6.
6.
2 weeks after us, the plant is not contact with him. He is also suffering different by all the diseases. He is not also contact with me.
Right, right, the client is not interested in pursuing.
Contact, he is suffering for all the different type of all the diseases.
Okay.
That's why he is not.
This is the matter on 19th October.
Huh.
Next.
Item.
And next,
Item number 7.
7.
7, my lord. Last occasion, lordship directed to file their reply. Just now they have served me a copy of the reply, just now.
Do you file your agenda?
Please.
And consider the petitioner submit that he had received the
Okay.
on the counter copy just now. He won't be able to file the agenda. So, all he had to receive just now, and she 6 1 week time to file the agenda. This is the matter on 2 weeks, 31st, 30th August.
Yes.
30th August, 2 p.m. If this bench is there,
It will
Subject to that.
continue, most probably.
2 p.m. Okay, next.
7, 8, 9, same.
Same as in night.
All the cases I solved the copy, my lord.
Item number 10.
10,
Copy nahi hoga.
10,
Milo, kindly pass over on where Mr. Vijay pass over.
हाँ
Kindly pass over, Milo.
pass over. Okay, pass.
After lunch.
Next.
Item number 11.
11. 11. Nothing. Pass over. Next.
Item number 12.
12.
May I request? I have taken a loan under the
Item
scheme.
11 Lordship.
आप
Passable.
कोड
Item 11 Lordship, passable Lordship.
But I have taken a loan under the National Mission of Food Process.
हाँ
Under a National Mission of Food Process scheme and open a rice mill, my lord.
From which bank you are taking loan?
From Lord,
Oriental Bank of Commerce.
yes, my lord.
Now PNB.
Now PNB, my lord.
Now PNB.
Yes, my lord.
You have changed. Now Oriental Bank of Commerce come PNB लिखा है जी. That is the name now.
Oriental Bank.
New name.
May
Is it
I-
Oriental Bank of
Come
Commerce
PNB.
come PNB.
PNB.
That is the new name.
No, PNB use name.
कॉम कहीं लिख लेता है
That
अरे चेंज करो राइट
meant-
प्रॉपर ना नोटिस कर दीजिए भूल भाल लिख
okay.
दे and comes with the petitioner to change the name of the bank and address properly and file a
Amendment.
considered first type is the matter 14 das hala
Item number 13.
Your lordship, this is against the insurance company. The petitioner's husband availed a loan for house building loan from Indian Bank, and it was insured with United India Insurance Company. The petitioner's husband subsequently died in COVID-19. I have filed the COVID-19.
अपन insurance company against company case
हाँ insurance company against mu करछि तो insurance company आगे दौनी माने रिलीज करूनी अमाउंट टा माने इंश्योर अमाउंट टा रिलीज करू तो इंश्योर इतला हाउस बिल्डिंग लोन टा मोर
हाउस बिल्डिंग लोन टा केन इंश्योरेंस करिवो
लोन टा इंश्योर इतला आगे
आज्ञा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो इंश्योरेंस टा करे सेटा फॉर द फायर अर्थक्वेक ऑफ द घर र किछि हेले सेति पई आपण देई न पाले
आगे सेटा लास्ट टाइम से कहितली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस
आने पे कहि
आगे
दिले
आनिछि
देखा इधर कौन कवर हो लेट्स सी आई मे रॉन्ग बट आई वांट टू सी को पैराग्राफ देखिए मत इधर को पैराग्राफ
এটা
पॉलिसी रे पैराग्राफ टा देखो
नहीं এটা जो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस काउंसिल जो करथिला तारी এটা मु देछि
sir I am asking you a small question so when if the loan insurance is there basically as I know so far as my knowledge goes even I had also taken a house loan and I have my insurance that's why I am telling you from my own experience house loan रे जो insurance दिया जाए से insurance house रो जदी आपण लोन नै छथि लोन पे कर चलछिन सब सडन धरंतु काली हाउस को अर्थ को हेगला भांगी गला हाउस का
नहीं से
सुनो मो कथा सुनंतु
आगे
तो बैंक लूज करियो पैसा सेति रे इंश्योरेंस ले इंश्योरेंस कंपनी तेरा कंपेंसेट कर दला बैंक एले लूज करिवनी
आगे
ता अर्थ या न जे से जो हाउस लोन जो ट्रेक नै थिबो से मरि गला ताको लूज
नहीं से मरला माने गोटे कोविड-19 ते मरला गोटे
सेही कथा सेही पॉलिसी काई देखंतु
से
I want that policy
सेटा दिल्ली पर लॉ लाइफ
पढंतु को लाइन पढंतु
आगे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस काउंसिल
आज्ञा एटा तो आपण गोटे को न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल
नहीं नहीं मुआगा नहीं मुआगा तार वेबसाइट जाई कि डाउनलोड करके देछि वेबसाइट जाई डाउनलोड कर देछि
कोन लेखा जी पढंतु देखिए
The council also confirmed that the clause of force measure will not apply in case of COVID-19 death claims. The step was taken. Again,
आपण सेटा निजे पढिले हेबे बरा
आज्ञा।
फोर्स में सेटा जो कहू फोर्स मेजर पई से धरंतु आत को गेला निया लागि गला कोन हे गला आपण घर लोन नै जंदी बैंक तो तार पैसा तो ताको तो सिक्योर करबे ना सेति में बैंक रे दैट इज कॉल्ड बैंक इंश्योरेंस मोस्टली बैंक माने ताकर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में प्राइवेट बैंक रे एसबीआई रे अछि तार निजर बैंक रे कर दिसे आ नहले जार की अलगा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में करंती सब बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ताकर अछि समस्त बैंक इंश्योरेंस थाय से माने ए लोन जो दियंती घर हाउसिंग लोन रे सब से करंती जैसे बाय चांस आपण घर पुड़ी गला जड़ी गला कि अर्थक्वेक हे गला कि बन्या रे भासी गला कि किछि गुडे हला से पैसा कोड मिलियो से पैसा ता पई लोन ତା ଅର୍ଥ ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉ ଓନର ଯେ ନେଇଥିବ ସେ accident ରେ ମରିଯିବ ତାପରେ ବି ଏରା ନାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ନୁହେଁ କାହିଁକି ନା
COVID-19 ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ସେପାରେଟ ଗୋଟେ
ନିଜେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ତ ଆଜ୍ଞା COVID-19 କଣ ଥିଲା କି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
when it was ଯେତେବେଳେ
ନା this insurance company doesn't cover such kind of thing.
ନାଇଁ,
Sir, ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ I am ready to grant you relief. You show me. You are not able to show me. How can I help you?
ମତେ ଟିକେ ତଳ ଟାଇମ୍ ଜୋନ୍
ଆପଣ
ଦେଖେଇ
ମତେ
ପଡିଲାଣି
କେମିତି
ମତେ
time
ଗୋଟେ
ନେଇଛନ୍ତି? ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ time ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି,
ମତେ
କେତେ
15-20 ଟାଇମ୍ ଜୋନ୍ ମୁଁ ଦେବି ଆଣିକି
ଦେଖି ପାରିବିନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଏତେ ଦିନ ଟାଇମ୍
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖେଇବି ଆଣିକି
କାଲି ହେବନି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଆଣି ଦେଖେଇବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖେଇବି
ପାଇବେନି ଆପଣ
ପଲିସିରେ ଅଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଆପଣ ହାତ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପଲିସି ମତେ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଟିପି
ହଁ, ସେ ପଲିସିଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି କଭର ଅଛି I don't have any problem.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବେ ଯଦି I don't have any problem. Relief will be granted to you. But only you have to show. We have to quote.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Quote that.
ଏଥିରେ ଏ ପଲିସିରେ ନାହିଁ ସେଟା କଭର ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉ ପଲିସିଟା
ସେଇଟା ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଅଛି କଭର କରିଛି ବୋଲେ why should I say no? No problem. ଆଉ ଛୋଟ ହେଇପାରିଲାନି
ଏଇ ପଲିସି
miniature version.
this how
ହଉ ଆମେ ଏଇଟା ଲଗେଇବୁ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଛୋଟ ପଡିବ ନା ପଡିବ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ହଁ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିବ এটা কোন মানে জাস্ট হোল্ড অন এই যে ইন্স্যুরেন্সটা আপনার কাছে এটা সে লোন নেলা বেলে এটা আপনার দুইটা গুটে করে গুটে দুইটা কম্পোনেন্ট থাকে লোন র হাউसिंग লোন নেলা দুইটা কম্পোনেন্ট থাকে গুটে কম্পোনেন্ট হলা আপনার হাউसिंग লোনটা
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ଥାଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
এটা ସେଇ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ନା এটা ସେପାରେଟ କରିଥିଲେ এটা
এটা ତ ପରେ କରିଥିଲେ ସେପାରେଟଲି এটা 19 ମସିହାରେ କରିଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଲୋନ ପରେ କରିଥିଲେ
this is different then and you are not telling me this
ଆଜ୍ଞା
separately এটা করছি আমি
ନାଇଁ ସେ ହାଉସ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଲୋନଟା କଭର କରୁছে ସେଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କଭର
ହଁ
I mean, pardon me, Lord. Actually, there is a provision. ଅଛି ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲୋନଟା ସାଙ୍କସନ ହୁଏ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଚାହିଁଲେ ସେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟଟାକୁ ଆପଣ କରିପାରିବେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ମୁଁ ମୋ ନିଜର ବି କରିଛି ମୋ ହାଉସ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ
କଣ ଆପଣ ଆପଣ
ଯଦି ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ କଣ ଯାଏ ସେଇଠି ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ଇଏମଆଇ ଟା ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବନି ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି କଲେକ୍ଟରେଟ୍ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚରେ
different bank has
ହଁ
different
ହଁ
policy maybe
ୟେସ୍ ୟୁର ଲର୍ଡସିପ୍
କୋଉ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ମତେ ଦେଖେଇବେ ଆଣିକି
ୟେସ୍
ଆପଣ ସେ ପଲିସିଟା ଦେଖିବେ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ପଲିସିଟା ଦେଇପାରିବି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଆଇ ହାଭ୍
which bank
ୟୁକୋ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଲେକ୍ଟରେଟ୍ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ
ଟିକେ ଆଣିବେ ଦେଖିବେ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଭାବୁଛି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ
let's see maybe I
ହଁ
may be
ହଁ
wrong so these are things bank to bank they have different policy we
ୟେସ୍
can
ୟୁର
see
ଲର୍ଡସିପ୍
just show me এটা ଆପଣ ପରେ କରିଥିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ସେ 19 ମସିହାଟା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ 19
आपने 3 नंबर क्लॉज टा पढ़ी मते कहबे हाउ नेक्स्ट डेट कहबे
ଆଜ୍ଞା
3 4 पढ़ी कहबे
ହଁ
आपण कवर्ड की नॉलेज रे क्लियर
ନାଇଁ କଭର ତ ସେଥିରେ ହଉନି actually ଠିକ ଅଛି ପଢି କହିବି
आबे कहउछन आपण कहउछन
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
3 4 पढ़ी
ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଲାଇଫ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କାଉନସିଲ
3 4 टिके भल की पढ़ी आइथिबे होला 3 4 जो अछि 3 आउ 4 होला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
नेक्स्ट डेट देख ओके नेक्स्ट
item number 14.
14
My lord, pass over.
पासवर्ड व्हाई
Sir, my senior is absent here now.
एमडी
After
कहला
lunch,
मु
he will
देनी
come.
कोन ऑर्डर दोछली ना कोन
No,
Order.
No, my lord.
कोन कहला बे आत्र कहला
Sir, after lunch, sir will come.
भल कि न कहला म देबी कोन कहा जाय कोन बाबू
आज्ञा
केमती पासवर्ड मंगा जाए
Sir, sir actually sir नुआ आसी sir तो.
नुआ तो सिखी के आसीबे ना एरा अभ्यास करि आइथांती आप तो जानतु पचारंतु पछाडे सीनियर माने बसिंदी का पचारंतु न साइड रे पचारंतु कोन होय ता कहबे तार जी नुआ सिखिबे गुडिबे
Okay, my lord.
पचारो पचारि के आउथरे कहि के जीवो एमती छाड़ देबी
अच्छा, pray your lordship, pass over this matter.
हां एंदी कहले देबी ना भल कि आउथरे एडा को सिखि देबे प्रभु सब कोट रे से कहबे हां पासवर्ड पढि दिस
Please, your lordship. Petitioner's one-time settlement application was rejected by this bank, my lord, on 21/11/2022.
तो मु कोन करिबी ताले
My lord, my lord, I'm just, my lord. Petitioner availed a loan, agricultural loan from the UCO Bank on 2005,
कोट अमाउंट केते
1,20,000.
मला
लक्षे 20,000 टका.
तापरे
After 14 years, they demanded 4,04,252. In the meantime, due to death of his mother and his father, petitioner not paid the entire amount.
सर ये सब फादर डेथ मदर
ना,
डेथ
सी
बैंक
आज्ञा
वाला के
लक्षे
सुनिबे
टका-
नहीं कि ना
लक्ष-
भी सुनिबे कि
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇକି
सेड़ा कहंतुनी सेड़ा तणी कहबे नहीं
ନା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
आपण केते नेले केते
लक्षे
देबे ए
कोड़े-
कथा छडा आ किछि कथा सुना
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
जायनी
ଲକ୍ଷେ
हां
1,20,000 ନେଇଥିଲି 1,00,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
हां
ଆଉ ସେ 4,04,000
ଆଉ जो रहिला
ଆଉ ସେ
आपणकर
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
जो
15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଆଉ
आपण केते आउटस्टैंडिंग केते अछि
Your lordship kindly have a glance. You have taken
ମୁଁ
instruction.
ଆଉ 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ
Everything is
2 ଲକ୍ଷ
there,
ଟଙ୍କା
your
ଦେଇଦେବି
lordship.
प्रेजेंट बैलेंस आउटस्टैंडिंग हमर 4,60,000
No,
ସେ
no,
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
that-
4,04,252 ଟଙ୍କା
No, no. The present total outstanding balance is 15 lakhs.
एटा एनपीए जाय सेति की थिला सर 4 लाख
Yes,
आपता परटा जोड़ीबेनी
Unapplied interest.
एटा
Everything.
एनपीए जो दिन हला सेते बेला थिला आपनकर 4,04,000 ए डेट रे एनपीए हला
ପିଟିସନ ଇଜ ରେଡି ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱିଲିଂ
आपनकर बैलेंस हला 4,60,000 के देबे कोन दिदा
When
2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା 15 ଦିନ
not your
ଭିତରେ
lordship.
आ ए कोन बिको दोछन बैंक
Your lordship kindly have a glance. Clause number 20.
2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଦେବେ 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ ରେଷ୍ଟ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ
बाकी रेस्ट
ବାଇ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଦେବି
ନାଇଁ
ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ସେତିକି amount actually
ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଲୋନ ଆଉ ଦେଖିବେ ତ
सुनंतु सुनंतु
ଆଜ୍ଞା
मासे भितरे 15 दिन भितरे 2 लाख आ 2,60,000 मासे भितरे देबे बैंक विल कंसीडर
ନାଇଁ ସେତିକି
Right.
ହେଇପାରିବନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହଉଛି ପାଇବା 15 lakh something ହଉଛି total dues
ଲକ୍ଷେ 20,000 ଆଜ୍ଞା ନେଇଥିଲେ ସେଥିରେ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
2004 ରେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
14 ବର୍ଷ
प्रेजेंट बैलेंस आउटस्टैंडिंग लेखिसि 4,60,000
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
15,000 कोड गला
ତା ଦେହରେ ଅନଆପ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ତା ତଳକୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନା ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କରିକି
ସବୁ interest
କ୍ଲଜ ନମ୍ବର 20 କ୍ଲଜ ନମ୍ବର 20 your lordship kindly have a glance
क्लॉज नंबर 20 रे कोन अछि
Hmm.
ई एक्शन नोटिस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ
statement
अकाउंट
of
एंड
account and also the total dues as on
एंती आपण लुटी एग्रीकल्चर लोन उडे नेबे से लोक मर जीवनी बंची पाउ सुसाइड करबनी अनएप्लाइड इंटरेस्ट माने कोन बैंक आपण बैंक मैनेजर काल धर के आसी कोन अनएम्प्लॉयड इंटरेस्ट गोटे लोक एग्रीकल्चर लोन टे नेछि से 1,20,000 आपण ताको 15 लाख रे पहुंची देबे को इंटरेस्ट को रेट रे इंटरेस्ट आपण लोड करछंदी
ଲେଖିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିରେ
आपण बैंक मैनेजर
12.75
को बैंक
यूको बैंक
ए को बैंक
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଭୋଗରାଇ
हां
ଭୋଗରାଇ
आपण काली से कोई मैनेजर टाको अपेयर करियो को हिसाब से एते
7 तारिख दिन ऑक्शन सेल अछि
दिस इज नॉट
statement of account
in the meantime there
अच्छी
no
statement-
coursive action till the next date पे coursive नेबेनी एग्रीकल्चर एति पे एग्रीकल्चर बैंक माने भी महाजन ओळिया होचंदी आ कोन हो
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ନା କହିଲୁ
ସେ କଥା ନୁହେଁ
ଆଉ?
କଥା ହଉଛି ଯାହା state
ठीक-
as per
What?
statement of account I am submitted मिला
ठीक लिखले I would not have said this
हम्म
आपण निज प्रेजेंट बैलेंस आउटस्टैंडिंग इज 4,60,000 सेति मेन तो दे दो सेति की जाऊ से लोकडा सेति की मैं ये कर दी
then I will take instruction
टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिस 4,60,000
ଆଉ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବେ ବି କାଲି ବି ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବେ ଆସିପାରିବେ
ऑर्डर पास करबी ना Our 4,60,000 कि ये यार सर interest नहीं
ताले
पकड़े।
आपनो
Till-
your lordship kindly
till that no
pass
question.
order, the manager should be present with the file.
No, let
That
the
would be better,
let
my
the
lord.
manager come through BC. Let the manager appear through this.
Till that
अपने
no-
instruction आगे नहीं होता देखिए।
आज्ञा आज्ञा मु बुझिदेबी
You take proper
जदि
instruction.
एई परथबो करदेले भलो कोन
हेई पार्थबो ना हेई पो आपण 4,60,000 केते नेतिला 1,20,000 से लोक नेतिला
ଲକ୍ଷେ 20,000 ଟଙ୍କା 2005 ରେ
तापर
2004
2005
आपण निजे लिखिते पूरा बैलेंस 4,60,000 still
ନାଇଁ 4,04,252 ଟଙ୍କା
ready to pay and you are just adding what interest unemployed okay unapplied what interest
unapplied
already paid ଲକ୍ଷେ
unapplied interest माने कोन
आज्ञा जो इंटरेस्ट टा अप्लाई हे माने हेई नथिबो न हेई करी होची
इंटरेस्ट छाड़ कर देंगे गरीब लोग
पूरा जदि इंटरेस्ट जो लॉर्डशिप पास ऑर्डर वी हैव नो
एते
ऑब्जेक्शन
लोग लोक नेगिरी पळे जासले किछि करि पार न ए छोट गरीब चासी टे नवल ता पछरे गुडीबे आ भलो लोक नेगिरी जागिरी के लंडन मस्त करछि आ जे जो सो कॉल्ड नी 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 गुडे लास्ट को नहीं लागी जे कंपनी मान कर से माने लोन जदि काढी दिया जीवो रास्ता रे बुलीबे
पर्सनली आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन मिलर इफ लॉर्डशिप पास
आ
ऑर्डर
ई छोट छोट गरीब लोक मान चले छै
द नॉमिनल नॉर्मल
You
इंटरेस्ट
first take
देकरी
in-
नॉर्मल इंटरेस्ट देकरी कर देले हबो
आपण फास्ट ये नियंतु इंस्ट्रक्शन नियंतु 4,60,000 बैलेंस रखिछन सेट बैलेंस दे देबे हला
auto take
नो
सेटा भी इंटरेस्ट है कि मिसी करी हिची सेटा
नहीं नहीं नहीं
अरे नहीं नहीं माने
आज्ञा नुहे मु स्टेटमेंट
1,20,000 4,60,000 बिना इंटरेस्ट हे गला आ नुहे को मेथड से
जदि नहीं थिबो
आउ थरे जे नहीं थिबो आपण जान नाती
और
आपण
किछि
निजे पर बैंक
स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट सबमिट करिव से टाइम पा कहू
नहीं थिबो
not to take any course yes.
आज्ञा एई दिने दिने रखि दियंतु काहे के ऑक्शन पर्यंत
सात
छी बद
तारीख-
दिने दिने
सात-
रखि
सात
देबा
तारीख दिन
जदि
ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା auction।
7 तारिख दिन ऑक्शन अछि ता पूर्व
आज 3 तारीख
साइंस साइंस नहीं जाउ
हां हां
auction कर देबे
साइंस साइंस नेबे
किए नबो आज्ञा
गोटे काम करो सर ये केते 7 तारीख
Till-
आपण काली नहीं आसन
हां
टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन टुमारो काल लगे दे हला टुमारो हला
आफ्टर लॉन्च योर लॉर्डशिप
टुमारो
मु चेष्टा करबी से आसीबा पई मैनेजर को
मैनेजर न आसे भी आपण सेक्शन
आसନ୍ତୁ
नहीं
से
ना
आसिले बेटर एठी सुनि की गल से सार देबे ताकू
खुद पल्ला
मु चाहूची सॉरी जवा दरकार
ओके ठीक है
डीप रिप्लाइजिंग लॉर्ड
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट Oh, अच्छा ठीक है so let it come on 17 that's no chocolate 17 17
At 12:30.
17 12
Passed over item number 2.
Lordship, I may pardon to mention one matter with the lordship, I mean virtual lordship.
people are mentioning every time and this is very fine.
I'm sorry,
30
lordship.
mentioning 12 30 mentioning
Lordship. At the bank that they have to release the gold in favor of the
21 days. Yes, next.
Item number 2.
I'm sorry, my first of all, I didn't present. But I'm challenging Annexure 5. The order passed by Lokayukt rejecting the complaint on the only on the basis of this section 15, the clearly on the ground of limitation, my lord, page 66. Now here is a case, my lord. The complaint was made against a person who by giving fraud document got his approval and got the salary from the state government 2015. Though he was appointed 2007, in appointment order he mentioned that 1997. By taking the advantage of that, he got the benefit in 2015. But Lokayuk said, since you are disputing the appointment of 1997, it is barred by limitation.
I didn't get.
My lord, my lord, to be clear from
this lady was appointed
in 2007.
2007.
By giving a wrong
The
date,
appointment was
97.
admittedly made as far as back in 1997.
By kind 59, kindly see how the appointment order was given, page 59. Would clear, my lord. In 2007, they mentioned that she was appointed in 1997.
Just.
Again.
59.
59 again. May
You are lecturer. You are
You
appointed as
are.
lecturer in Odia on
Can
ad
you
hoc
see?
basis.
You were appointed as a lecturer in Odia, is a mention as ad hoc basis by letter number 279 by IC at Satanabe and joining 23 at Satanabe AM. However, the governing body college have been pleased to regularize your ad hoc post from the date you are joining by GB resolution number 22/9/2007. In 2007, he said that he was appointed in 1997 because if he will taken as a 2007 appointee, his case could not be considered for salary because there is a cut-off date of 2003. So that is why he by manipulating cut-off date to get salary, my lord. To get
So
salary.
you are saying that his appointment date should have been
2007.
2007.
Again,
Right.
can you kindly see page 62, the date when government approved the appointment by page 62.
Who are you?
I'm a complainant to the. I'm a complainant to the before Lokayuk.
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଘୁରାଉଛନ୍ତି? ମାଲ ମାଲ ଦେଲାନି କି? ଆପଣ ଏଇ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ମାଲ ଫାଲ ଦେଲାନି ବୋଧେ ବୁଢୀ। ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଆଗାଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି।
It is from 2007.
For the sake of argument, it is 2007.
Let us assume that it is from 2007.
No assume, it is.
Okay, my lord.
Where
It
is the
from
question of
2007.
assumption?
2007. Then your lordship kindly turn to page 66. There is a limitation. Section 52 of the Odisha Lokayuk Act has been quoted out. The Lokayuk shall not inquire or investigate.
Lokayukta order is, I'm not finding anything wrong in that order. But I find something else in your assumption, presumption, whatever you said. 1997 ରୁ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ assume କରିବେ କି? 2007 ରୁ କାଇଁ କରିବେନି?
How it will affect the present petitioner?
It may not, but it affects the present petitioner. He is the taxpayer. It affects. If I say he is a taxpayer, it affects me. Then
my lord,
I am paying tax for your salary.
My lord, in that case, then the present petitioner should file an PIL against this one.
That is not. I'm for the say. I'm not saying what procedurally. I'm not going. Procedure मुझे भी पता है. Service matter है. PIL advantage no chanti.
My lord, I am submitting only for this reason.
No, I'm saying something else. फ्रॉड मानक बसैकरी फ्रॉड मानक माल माल पकईदेले भाषा कही बसुँ आप सब फ्रॉड गुड़ाक एमती फ्रॉड मानक छाड़देवे किसी तो करी लॉ बाहर जाकर किसी छाड़देवी जस्ट बिकॉज सी अनसुटेड बोलिकी ये इश्यूटा तो रहा ना अनरिजल्व होगी इश्यूटा रिजल्व होगा दरकार ना
Section 52. The Lokayuk shall not inquire or investigate into any complaint if the complaint is made after the expiry of a period of 7 years.
ସେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ନଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ନଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ
ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ଯେବେଠୁ ଆସିଲେ ତାପରେ 7 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ତ
କେବେଠୁ ଆଇଲା ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ
2014
14 ଆଇଲା
15 ବା ସେ ପଇସା ପାଇଲେ ବେନିଫିଟ 15 ପେଜ 62 ରେ
with effect on 16/1/2014.
I think do one thing.
Okay.
Do one thing.
Okay.
I'm dismissing it.
Aye.
I'm dismissing with giving the liberty to approach the appropriate authority. Appropriate authority ଯିବ
Appropriate authority ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା sir, sir, sir,
sorry.
sir.
Go to the appropriate authority, that is who is the appropriate departmental secretary. ହେଲା
Aye.
ତାପରେ secretary dismiss କରିବ, ତାକୁ challenge କରିବ writ petition. ଆସ
sir ଟିକେ ଖାଲି କହିବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ଏ କହିବ ସେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
କହିବ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ଇଏ ସେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
action ଦେଲି ପରା ଏଥିପାଇଁ।
ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ରହିବେ by considering annex 2 ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିକି ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ତିଆରି କରିଛି ଯେ these are fake ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ
କାଇଁ
ହଁ ପେଜ 30 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସିଏଜି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ପେଜ 30 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
CG report
ହଁ
ସେଟାକୁ challenge କଲେନି।
ନାଇଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କଣ କରିବି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଧରିକି
ସେଟା ଆମେ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ସେଥିରେ
sorry not challenge, just ତାକୁ ତାର
ତାକୁ ଏଟା ୟୁଜ ପେଜ 30 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
page 30
ଆଜ୍ଞା holding triangular committee meeting so and so with reference to above I am direct to say that it has been decided government to conduct TC meeting in your
ନାଇଁ,
college
ସେତିକି ନୁହେଁ ଆଉ ଖୋଲିବି ଆଉ ଦୁଇ ଚାରିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଖୋଲିବି ଆପଣ କହିବେ
ନାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ କରିବେ ଆପଣ
This is the forwarding letter of the from the Manoranjan Naik OAF FA additional secretary to government to the principal of the college. Well, can you see the list
33
page 30 and next page 31 forwarding the inspection report to the concerned college office of the account general page 31 ଆଉ ସେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି page 54 ରେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ଅଛି এইটাକୁ କନସିଡର କରିବେ ମୁଁ appropriate authority କୁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବି
ସେଇଟା ତ ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କର ବାର୍ଡ ବା ଲିମିଟେସନ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ appropriate authority କୁ
I
ଦେବି
don't find anything wrong in the local order, but you should have you have gone to the wrong forum.
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ appropriate ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ଅର୍ଡର
ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତରେ କିଛି ହୁଏନି ଜାଣିନ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେ ଜାଣିଛି
କୋଉମାନେ ବସନ୍ତି ସେ ଜାଣିନ ଏତେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିକିରି କାହିଁ ସେଠି ଯାଉଛ you know very well ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ର ଯାହା ଅବସ୍ଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ହଁ ଯେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଗୋଦିରେ ବସିଥିବ ସେ ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ହବ ସେଠି କଣ ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବ ସବୁ ଫେଭରରେ ଯିବ
ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଖାଲି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଲୋକାୟୁକ୍ତ ଡିଲ୍ କଲେ ଯେ ଏଟା 90 since this appointment of 1997 it is barred by limitation. So my submission is the benefit was extended in 2015. For the first time he got the benefit 2015. That was not considered by the Lokayukt matter. So I may give liberty to petitioner to approach the director of higher education or the government who is the appropriate authority.
You file. This court doesn't find any infirmity in the order passed by the Lokayukta. In the order dated keteda?
30/5/2023.
Series the order passed by the Lokayukta, order dated 35/2023, filed passed by the Lokayukta, which is rightly dismiss the petition filed by the present petitioner on the ground of
Limitation.
as prescribed under section 52 of the Lokayukta Act. However, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the appropriate authority for redressal of his grievances.
In that event, appropriate authority will consider. সেটা নলে সে কিছু করবে খালি সে দেই দেলে সে আগে
wow এতিকি মু কইবি না তমকে সবু পুরা
আপন ଦେଖିଲେ ସାର୍
ଗାଈ ବି ଦେବି କ୍ଷୀର ଦେଇକି ବି ଦେବି ପିଏଇ ବି ଦେବି ନା କଣ
2 weeks of time to file the counter.
10
Yeah.
weeks time to file the counter. Just a matter of 12 September.
Like item 11.
Item 11, my lord. Annexure 3 is pending before the opposite party number 3.
What is that?
That, my lord, died due to COVID-19. The son of the petitioner died while working in the TPSODL. I repentation that Annexure 3 is pending. But he died
pending reply ଟା କଣ ଆପଣ ଏନେକ୍ସର ଚକରେ କାଇଁ ପଡନ୍ତି ବିନା ଏନେକ୍ସର ଦିନେ କରିକି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବଢିଆ ଲାଗିବ
The contesting parties are opposite party number 2 and 3.
ହଁ ତ ଆପଣ କଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଆଚ୍ଛା 2 and 3 ଆପଣ ନାହିଁ କିଏ ଅଛି
Tata Power.
Huh?
Tata Power.
Tata Power କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ
Tata
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ
TPSODL.
ତ ଏମାନେ କିଛି ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଏମାନେ ନୋଟିସ୍ ବି ଯାଇନି ଖାଲି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡିସିସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ
ସାର୍ କିଛି ହବନି ନୋଟିସ ଯାଉ କାହିଁ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଚକ୍କରରେ ପଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଲଲିପପ୍ jurisdiction I would say lollipop jurisdiction jurisprudence ରୁ ଟିକେ jurisdiction କୁ ନେଇ ଆଇଲେଣି ଖାଲି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଣ ମିଳିବ କିଛି the petition challenging the inaction of the opposite party number TPSODL କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଟିକେ ଆଗ କହିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଖମ୍ବ ଯୋଉ ବଙ୍କା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ବାଜି ଯାଇଥିଲା ତାର ସେଇଟା
ନା ନା COVID-19 ନମ୍ବର
ତ ଟାଟା ପାୱାର କଣ କରିବ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ତ ଅଥରିଟି ନା ଆମର
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଠି କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ
ହଁ ହଁ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି ମୁଁ ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି
hold on sir yes କୋଭିଡ ରେ ମଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଆସି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟର ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ଦେବାର କିଛି
ସେଇ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଟା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ନବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I thought electricity like କଣ ହେଇଛି
ନା ନା ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ୟୁସନ नो इट्स नॉट ए केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक्यूशन
ତ କଣ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟାଟା ପାୱାର ର
ଏ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଯାହା ସ୍କିମ୍ ସେଇ
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ସ୍କିମ୍ ତ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବ ଟାଟା ପାୱାର କାହିଁକି ଦେବ
ଯେହେତୁ ମୋର
ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟର ଅଲଗା ଥିବ ତାର ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟର ତାର
ସେ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟର କଣ ଅଛି ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଡିସାଇଡ ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଏ ଡିସିଜନ
କାହିଁକି ସେ ଆସିକିରି ସେ ଅଛି ଆମର ବୋଲି କହିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ
ନୋଟିସ ଯାଉ ତାହେଲେ
ନୋଟିସ ଟୁ
ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଖାଲି ଫିକ୍ସ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କାଲି ରିକ୍ୱିଜିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଦଉଛି
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ
OP number 2 and 3 by registered post
11th September
requisite by tomorrow ମୁଁ କାଲି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ପଲିସି ନାହିଁ how will they pay
ପଲିସି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ପଲିସି ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ
ପଲିସି କୋଠି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ if there is no policy then how will you on what basis they will pay you government policy is okay a person who dies of this COVID he will be compensated with this and this amount
no being
the Tata Power has this policy
no being the employer
being employer not sufficient sir employer maybe employer ता policy थिवा दरकार
let them
किबा government रो policy थिवा जे एमती private organization जे काम करते मले समय देवे बोली कि policy अछि government रो हो तांगर हो किछु दे something you have to show na otherwise just in the big asking कहले कि
जेहेतु
जेहेतु नहीं आपन policy show the policy I am ready to grant you have to satisfy me
let them come and
if I don't satisfy me and I pass some order they will say he is a fool no sympathy
no in their absence I don't
they should come and they should
notice
they have policy if they say no policy sorry no case next
Item 14,
your lordship kept it to
11 September.
11
Please, my lord, I am in video conferencing matter.
yes
This is a case where your lordship was directed me to file the translated copy of the FIR. I have already filed it, and so far the circular of the government of Tamil Nadu is concerned not applicable.
What is the issue sir
That is death owing to drowning in a pond while working as a
drowned in the pond
Tamil Nadu issue
you have got the policy
I have submitted the policy of the central government vis-a-vis the state government. That is
your lordship asked him to produce the Tamil Nadu government's policy. They have filed it, but your lordship once again directed my lord and senior to produce the same on English translation version. That was on Tamil version.
so have you got translated sir have you got translated have you translated the English to the Tamil to English
my lord yes that I have filed
where
it is there that is on the previous date it was filed that is on 28th July
yes
28th July I have filed it two of the circulars and the translated copy of the FIR and all that
Government of India I want the Tamil translation or English translation of the Tamil document where is that
it is I have filed it
where you have filed which page
well, that is on 27th July my lord I filed in the office registry my lord Lordship may direct, and if it is not there, your Lordship may direct that, let them put it, place it before the.
You have not filed. You have not filed, sir. Please file it again.
My lord, I have filed in 28th July, my lord.
English translation of the Tamil documents. With last time
The office to check up, I have already filed and they received.
Sir, it has not come to us. You might have filed. It is not present with me. Like they said,
along with the
filed their translation of the Tamil version of the guidelines issued by the Tamil Nadu government regarding the guidelines for seeking ex gratia amount. File it quickly. If you have not filed, file it.
Item 16.
Unless I know that the central government is different. Central government has a different thing.
That is, it is already
Central
written.
government is different, sir. This is Tamil, particular state government has own policy.
And
They are not bound by the central government thing. Central government acts as per if something happens in the jurisdiction of the central government. Take for example any union territory. In those areas it will be applicable.
It is already communicated to all chief secretaries of the
Chief
state.
secretary might have communicated, but the state will have its own policy. This is federal structure. Try to understand. Central government cannot impose. State has to ratify it. Try to understand.
I will trace it out and will file it.
Yes. Next.
May I please? Item number 16. May I please?
16.
My lord, the petitioner seeks direction from this honorable court to opposite party number 1 and 2 to extend him the benefit of the guidelines laid down in advertisement dated 24/2/2023.
For what?
My lord, the present petitioner before your lordship is working as Gram Rozgar Sevak, my lord.
Why have you made this subordinate staff selection as party?
My lord, I had applied for the combined post of junior assistant and panchayat executive officer, my lord. And the advertisement was to file on online, my lord. The petitioner.
Just hold on. What is your grievance?
My grievance, my lord. The petitioner had filed the application online, my lord. There was a clause, my lord.
Sir, OSSC, I'm not, that's why I'm asking. OSSC, I'm not dealing with OSSC matter. OSSC, OPSC, I'm not dealing with.
My matter was before Honorable Justice Aditya Mahapatra, my lord.
It should go there.
The matter has come before your lordship because it is
how
Gram.
The OSSC will come here.
Because they said the present petitioner is.
My lord. Gram Rozgar OSSC ko chhe.
No, my lord.
It is for the post of Panchayat Executive Officer, madam. So that is under that is the advertisement was issued by the Orissa State Staff Selection Commission, my lord.
Panchayat Executive Officer amar to Gram Rozgar Sevak.
Eta jibo seiti ki jibo.
Amar to recruitment amar Gram Rozgar Sevak. It should not come to our court. Since this bench is pertaining to deal with the matter, deals with the matters pertaining to the Gram Rozgar Sevak. Hence, the recruitment of what is the post?
This is the post for the junior assistant and panchayat executive.
Junior assistant and panchayat executive officer is not decided before this bench. Let it be placed before the appropriate bench.
Item number 17.
This is the matter that before your lordship's assignment, because this is also visited one court, thereafter has come before your lordship. Because because there is signed this assignment, so that's why lordship. This is your lordship.
This is what is the post.
My lord, we are working as. This is the brief facts of the case is that child.
Tell me again. I'll let you know whether
this is the NGOs. So NGO is before your
lordship.
My lord, but this case is covered under JJ Act, my lord, Juvenile Justice Act. Because Juvenile Justice Act is that speaks about that how this public and private model of child line. We are all child line coordinators in NGO.
But you are NGO.
NGO.
Right? So NGO it can come. So what is your grievance?
My grievance is, my lord, what happened in the meantime? The central government. Well,
Shortest.
I'm not so intelligent to say, but they have changed the name of this child line. Means they have rescued the child from everywhere at thus no art. Usko बोलते हैं कि 1098 is easy to remember. Anyone can call the snow art and the child line will go and rescue the child.
So
from-
you have problem for the change of time?
No, my lord, that's what happened now.
What is your problem?
Problem is now it has been given to police, state police.
Oh.
Police will take care of rescue the children and police will rehabilitate them and they will produce. What is that is
So police will come before you.
police is inducted in child line. That it is now the central government.
No. My question is, your NGO is still running as NGO, no problem.
Yes.
Only thing is, earlier you used to procure them from different.
No, well, actually, what happened?
You used
my
to
lord,
rescue them. Sorry,
there's-
procure is wrong word.
my lord,
You used to rescue them
my
from
lord,
different
how we are
places.
working? There are child rehabilitation center.
I know, madam.
Yes.
This thing
Your
you don't
lordship
need not
knows,
explain me.
but they must
I'm
have-
just coming to the crux.
We
So
are child
earlier
line.
you used to rescue,
Yes.
your NGO used to rescue and take it to the
CWC, Child Welfare
child
Committee.
care home,
Child,
right?
and
Now that power is taken away.
taken away.
And the police is doing that.
Police will do that in state-wise, 112. That is called 112 from September 1st. So central government changed the policy saying Mission Vatshalya. This is the literature. I have marked it. It is literature. And the main problem is that in decision
एते
of
कथा कहला पर भी प्रॉब्लम को आसीनी आमे आसीनु हो जाए कि कोन तो प्रॉब्लम ता कोन प्रॉब्लम कहला संगे संग
आपण बुझी सालेनी जे पुलिस
बुझी साले मोर प्रॉब्लम ता केतमे आसो कोन
मु
मैं ये जानि छी
मु कहछि पुलिस जदि रेस्क्यू करिवो चिल्ड्रन को their treatment is abusive, they are not sensitive, and the whole system of this child
आपण कहते पुलिस एनजीओ दिज करंतु कोन सुला
सेटा आपण
एनजीओ भी करंतु पुलिस भी करू
ना पुलिस कहले आगे पिला डरी जिवे बिकॉज़ दिस
जजमेंट एनजीओ जाई परिबनी जी ताले
ना सब ठीक जाई
भिखारी माने जो नेकरी भिखारी
मतलब कार फेस्टिवल ले फोर
एनजीओ
मतलब
पसी परिबनी एनजीओ वाला बड़ बड़ बाड़ी
व्हाट हैपेंड दिस इज नॉट एनजीओ दे आर चाइल्ड लाइन कार फेस्टिवल ले लास्ट रथयात्रा रे 435 पिला rescued by this child line and handed over to their parents. Well, what happened? This judgment, my lord, Supreme Court of India and Sampurna Behra, lordship must be knowing and
से
she they should not be called as accused. They should conflict with law.
That is these
and then police should not interfere. Police
because सेगुडा छाड़ंतु से conflict with level सेडा समझ जानि छथि एटा कि नुआ कथा न मो कहया था ना on what basis the government changed the policy
that's I'm filed, my lord.
Where is the policy document
that
which
is
says that from now onward police will take care of
the
this
central
issue?
government is only changing the name, nothing else they are doing, my lord.
What is
Annexure
the
2,
change the name of
my lord, Annexure 2, integration of child helpline, page 18, 1-8. Integration of child helpline 1098 with ERSS, that is emergency response support system. With telephonic short code 112 and 112 Indian app in their linkage with child protection units regarding. My lord, they have stated all WCD ministry that this will go to MHA.
It doesn't matter government of India policy.
No, I am not. I am challenging that.
Government of
That
India policy. It is to be, of course, government of India policy has to be implemented throughout the
throughout, my lord. That's right. But
so then why?
But
what is wrong
Orissa
with
government, my lord, Annexure 4 is the government of Tamil Nadu. Again, Tamil Nadu has come before this court. My lord, again, Annexure 4, they have decided this existing structure will work for us in Tamil Nadu. This structure. Earlier structure. Okay. Because police cannot interfere in child rescue because they will be.
I know.
They are overburdened also.
Among the children.
They are overburdened also. And one police officer told me, we don't know what our children are studying. How can we be responsible for that? So my prayer before your lordship.
Challenging today. Come to the point.
I am just want that my prayer is your lordship may allow us to work. That's my lord, till the state government takes a decision. You should work because this is the national assets. The children will be, the future will be marred. There is child abuse, there is child labor, there is child marriages, there's sexual violence, everything. My lord, even 1-2 cases that when police taking them for 164, they call the accused and there is a change. So now CWC has
vulnerability is more.
Yes. So now one of the child line member is going with them and separately to the court, and police will escort them. But they would not.
What is the logic behind changing this?
I don't know, they're just changing, my lord, the money will be diverted and they are just not giving the money. State government will bear the money. And Tamil Nadu, if one girl, my lord, I know a case rescued from Jammu Kashmir by the child line. He has been taken by giving some drugs or overdose, and the child line, because how this will function now? If this is interstate trafficking and all that thing, I don't know that how, what is the policy they have, how they have done this, but they very clandestinely, they have changed the policy. Now it is given to the all states and UTs.
Notice me, sir. Let government of India.
No, no, government of it is state government can take the chance, my lord.
No, you have made party to government of India?
Yes, yes.
Of course, government of India is the man, that is the, government of India has actually initiated the change and all the states are.
No, still that, my lord, child rehabilitation, child, this is not stopped.
I'm not passing anything, simply I'm issuing notice. Let me hear both.
My lord,
parties and see.
allow us to work till then.
Last को यह है वो सब स्टेट पढ़िबा सुप्रीम कोर्ट एका संगे सब उठे के नहीं
And Supreme Court is not interested in
Yes, this
small
will-
petty matters, my lord.
interested. They will
I
be
think so.
They will be interested.
My lord, we are not, another case is there that budget has already been given to the state government. We have not paid from October 2022.
Oh, असल कथा एठी ଆଉ
ଆମେ କେମିତି ଚଳିବୁ? ଆମକୁ କଣ କିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦଉଛି କିଛି ବ୍ରାଇବ୍? ଆମେ କେମିତି ଚଳିବୁ? ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲୁ ସବୁ କଥା କହିବୁ ଖୋଲିକି। ଆମେ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 22 ରୁ ଜୁଲାଇ 23 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପାଇନୁ। And this scheme is up to August 31st.
Let's see. Let me issue notice and see that part also will be. Okay. So your oxygen is now depleting.
No, my oxygen would be, my lord, allowed to work. That's all.
Oxygen.
Pro bono.
Oxygen. No, not yours.
This is-
NGOs. NGOs oxygen is getting depleted. Ministry of Women and Child Development Department, Government of India, Inter alia, closing the child line number 1098, which is an emergency number all over India, an emergency response support system 112, that is police of the state in new scheme launched, namely Mission Vatsalaya. The petitioners are the child line workers of different districts of the states of Orissa, and they are engaged in the activities of child rights
And protection.
and protection. What I was saying this in respect of children, child right, two extremely important bodies, namely NCPCR, SCPCR are duty.
My lord, that is the previous, the existing,
Okay.
that is Vishan Vaschalya now.
Okay, so the bodies of NCPCR and SCPCR, there are two important bodies have been provided at the grassroots. JJ Act 2015, namely the State Child Protection Society and District Child Protection Unit. For smooth functioning and effective implementation, the Child Line Service has been introduced in toll-free number plus 1098 24 hours emergency outreach service crisis. The grievance of the petitioner is that since this has been assigned to the state police, there is a likelihood of fear psychosis among the children, while the police rescues them and the vulnerabilities of the children are more exposed than the previous regime, right? For the submit that the earlier regime was more child friendly than the present regime, and this is not likely to serve the purpose of the JJ Act 2015. If the government has a better reason for the new system, I don't know.
No, that's my lord, right.
Let's see.
But 28, my lord, what is government is thinking about this? Whether police will take up or we will continue.
Let's see, let them file the reply.
Then 28, my lord, call it, because 31st to last date. Let them, what is their thinking? They'll take instruction only.
Okay,
of this.
28.
My lord.
That I can.
Oh, bless you.
Next,
Item number 18.
18.
Non-compliance of the order dated 9/1/2000.
What is the order, sir?
Last operating direction was given to the opposite party number 2, that is Collector Sunpur, to take a decision with regard to engage running to 12 my lords, directive parts. Take a decision with regard to engagement of Anganwadi worker for Bahadur Nagar Silati 6 Anganwadi Center
not taken
without going.
okay, issue notice.
I will take instruction.
Take instruction. Land Council of the state to take instruction within 1 week. List the matter on 16th August. Take positive instruction.
आठ मास ହେଇଗଲାଣି 8 ମାସ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ମାସେ ଭିତରେ
ଆଜି ତ ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ଆସି ନା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଗରୁ ଥରେ ଆସିଛି ଏଟା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ
ନୋଟିସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ହଁ
ନୋଟିସ ଦେଇଛି
ହଁ
ଆଉ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ହେଇଥିଲା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଲେ
ଇଏ 6/7/2023 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ
when is the order pass 6/7 yeah
ହଁ
6/7 ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି last chance is given for the council of the state to take instruction. List the matter on 21st August. Next.
19.
19.
35 kg ganja. And
Only?
40 yes, one.
35.
Yes.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
17/4/2023.
17/4/2023.
ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ
ଆଉ କୁଆକି ଯାଇଛି ଭାରି ଗୋଟେ ଭାଇ ଯାଇଛି ଆର ଭାଇଟାକୁ କରିଥିଲେ ଇଏ ନଥିଲା ସ୍ପଟ ରୁ ଧରା ହେଇ ନଥିଲା
ଆପଣ ଡେଇଁ ପଳେଇଲେ ପରା ଗାଡିରୁ
23 ଟା ଦେବେନି 23 वाला ଦଉନି ଯଦି ଆପଣ 20 21 କହିଥାନ୍ତେ ତ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଦେଇଦେବି I have a logic for giving granting bail. Here I don't have any logic. Tell me one logic where I should grant bail. Tell me.
କମ 35 kg
ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ କମ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଏଟା ତ କମର୍ସିଆଲ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଯାଉଛି କମ
ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିନ ଯାଉ ଆସିବେ
2-3 ଦିନ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିନ
ବର୍ଷେ ଯାଉ
ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିନ
ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଦେବାର
2 ମାସ ପରେ
ବର୍ଷେ ଉପରେ ହେଲେ ବି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
2 ମାସ ଯାଉ
ସରି ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ
2 ମାସ ପରେ ଆସିବ
ପରେ ଆଉଥରେ କରିବେ କଣ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫିକ୍ସ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 20.
20
Quantity.
quantity quantity
525 kg mileage. Co-accused release on bail.
अरे quantity
525 kg. 525 kg.
କେବେ
Custody mileage 5 ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 20.
5 ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 20
ହଁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା mileage ସରେଣ୍ଡର ବି କରି ଦେଇଛି
ଦୟାକରି ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିଦାନି କେମିତି କରନ୍ତା ସେ ଆଉ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି ନା
mileage ସରେଣ୍ଡର certificate.
ସେଇଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁନି
Co-accused already release on bail.
give the copy ଆପଣ କୋଉ ନିଜ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟେଟ
ମାନେ ଲୋକାଲ ମ୍ୟାନ ମାଲକାନଗିରି
ଲୋକାଲ
ଅଟୋରେ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ
ଅଟୋରେ ମାଇଲଡ଼
ଅଟୋରେ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ
ଅଟୋ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର
ନା ପ୍ୟାସେଞ୍ଜର
ପାସେଞ୍ଜର ନୁହେଁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଅଟୋରେ ବସିଥିଲେ
ଦେଇଦେବା
Co-accused release on
ଲୋକାଲ ଲୋକ ଯାଉ
ଓବ୍ଲେଜନ
he is a passenger like that. He was a accidental passenger like that in the auto. Accidental like that. ଭିତରେ ଯାଉଛୁ ପାଇଲା ଅଟୋଟେ ପଳେଇଲା next
Item 21.
21
May I please, Your Lordship? Remember, inside custody, my lord, 15/3/2021, and my lord, quantity, my lord, 360 kg. And last occasion directed me.
ଆପଣ କେତେ କେତେ କେତେ
360 kg, my lord.
360 କେବେଠୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି
15/3/21. And the co-accused person granted bail by Your Lordship.
local
Local.
granted
Problem.
360
my lord.
360 ହେଲା କେବେଠୁ ଅଛି
15/3/21.
next
22.
22.
May I please, my lord, the petitioner is in custody in 18 to 2020. Last occasion report was called from the lower court for stage of the trial, my lord.
Very common Monday.
Monday.
Monday. Next.
Item number 24.
24.
24, my lord, I sought for an adjournment, my lord, early in the morning, my lord. Mr. Jatin Mahapatra is having some medical difficulty for that.
You mean intervened to the other side? Who is the other side?
I am for the appellant.
You're for the some person. When do you want?
My lord, any date next week or day and
17?
17, my senior have some problem. Let it be next week.
Aji problem, 17 problem.
No,
no. Bhalo achen to sir khadi pani dekhi ra asantu.
Next week, man. Any date next.
जो प्रॉब्लम तम हिसाब रे कोर्ट चलिबो ना कोर्ट हिसाब तम चलिबो तम सीनियर प्रॉब्लम था था प्रॉब्लम निजे आर्ग्यू करो निजे तुम आर्ग्यू करबे लायक न की
He is dealing with this case.
why you argue what is the problem?
No problem, my lord.
Then you should argue.
He has argued several times
You
before your
did
loss.
see that he did tam हिसाब रे चलिबो ना
21st.
21st.
Great, great.
26.
26.
Kindly pass over this matter.
Why
Sir,
people are taking pass over?
No, Mr. Rath is in another court. He's arguing.
Second hour pass over.
After 2 items.
I don't know what is the problem. What is your problem? First tell me. You must be knowing that. You have
No,
the briefing.
he's-
What is the objection? Tell me.
We have.
What is the objection?
We have already filed SLP before Supreme.
You might have filed SLP.
The finality of the
You have
judgment
not gotten the
disturbed.
stay order, na, sir.
No, my lord, there is a judgment. Once we file the SLP, the finality of the judgment is destroyed.
What?
Okay.
Once you file
SLP.
Once you file SLP, wow.
My lord, this is the observation of Supreme Court. Honorable
My lord.
Supreme Court. This is the wording used.
कहला मु मानिबिनी जा कोन करिवो मु मानिबिनी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर मोटा सर भावते दिमाग त लगाओ ठीक है it is destroyed. I don't care why you pass whatever order pass your I fail करछ I reject.
No, no,
Please.
So
Because, yeah.
you have deposited money.
They have deposited 2 years ago,
No, no,
my
no.
lord.
Who has deposited?
They have
We
deposited
have
because
deposited with the registered judicials pursuant to one interim order passed by this honorable court in execution petition. The deposit was not in the appeal, 37 appeal.
Sir, that is a different.
my lord,
In 37 why should
if I may just clarify, when the section 34 was dismissed before the Honorable District Judge Jangur.
But that is not part of the order in 37.
My lord,
Now,
there is a.
The order passed by this court directing them to deposit the amount.
No,
in
no.
37 or in any other petition.
In execution petition.
Execution petition, I am not dealing with that matter. Why should I?
My lord, when the section 34 was
my lord,
dismissed, let me clarify, please. Kindly let me clarify.
Okay. Yes.
You're not letting me speak. I am the petitioner.
Okay, let him. Yes.
When the section 34 was dismissed, for 100 days thereafter, he didn't pay a penny. So there was a simultaneously execution proceeding was initiated.
What application?
In that, they have attached the bank guarantees. The Honorable District Judge has attached the bank guarantees. Then he brought that into this proceeding and prayed this court to release the accounts. The Honorable Court has released those accounts on the condition that he would deposit within 1 week some amount. That amount is still lying with the Honorable Registry of this court. So I am just praying for the release of that amount. It's as simple as that, madam.
My lord, kindly see the order dated.
Obviously, it cannot be.
6th August 2021.
Let me see.
He is now
2021.
unnecessarily.
Let me see the order. Where is the order?
6th August 2021.
Where is that? Which page?
37 of the order.
Different order. What is the total amount?
9.71 crores.
That was the award.
7.5 crore.
7.5 crores we have deposited pursuant to this interim order.
Ah,
In the execution
total
petition.
total in the this thing is how much?
9.71.
9.71.
71.
I'm sorry, Lord. I was on my
No
legs.
problem. I was just discussing with you.
I- yes.
How I was testing their preparedness.
I'm grateful, my lord. I have just, my lord, in that. But I have filed an objection today.
What is the objection, sir?
Yes, my lord. I have primary objections with regard
What
to
is the
this. Objection is, my lord.
Once order is passed, I am not going to entertain now.
I'll tell you, lord.
Unless you say some
Yes,
clerical
Lord.
error is there,
Whatever I'm
something is
saying.
there, I will not entertain.
Whatever I'll be telling, my lord, pure questions of law, my lord. Nothing beyond that.
Sir, one thing. I have passed the order. If your eye is pertaining to some error in comma, full stop
Let
somewhere,
me have
or
my
maybe
submission.
some word here and there, then I can think of. Otherwise, if there is substantial change in the order, I will not going to consider.
That's the point, my lord.
Yes.
That is the point.
Yes.
Let me have my
But-
submission objecting to his interim application. First is, my lord, we have already filed SLP against this judgment.
Had you filed that?
Let me tell you, my lord, the law is not silent. Law is not silent thereafter.
SLP file, mere filing of
Please.
SLP not going to.
Lord, I'll tell your lordship, there are judgments of the Honorable
Their
Supreme
judgment, I may not agree with the judgment.
Lordship may not
Sir,
agree,
I
my
will
lord.
not.
But
Unless Supreme Court stays your this thing.
I'll
by
tell your
SLP,
lordship, my lord.
sir,
Lord, I have great
also
respect.
some
I have
idea.
regards, my lord. I have regards for your lordship's opinion. But Lord, let me have my submission. I have highest regard for your lordship's submission, my lord. I mean, observation.
Because I see, just mere filing of
Lord,
SLP.
it's a civil dispute.
Means mere filing of.
No, that is there. It's a civil dispute.
No.
Lord, kindly see this judgment. Kindly see. I have given it, my lord. Kindly
I
see
have
this.
seen
my
all
lord.
the judgments.
Lord, I have filed it.
We have seen tested, experience done.
Lord,
everything. So
with my foolishness, my lord, with my foolishness
No,
within me.
foolishness.
Yes, my lord. With Lord, I accept
Because
that I am
as far as my knowledge
I am a
goes,
student of law, my lord.
Unless, as far as my knowledge goes,
As a student of law.
unless there is a stay by Supreme Court.
Yes, my lord.
We
There
are
are
not going to
one
touch
more aspect probably is your lordship is missing out.
Hmm.
As a student of law, let me try to tell that to your lordship. my lord. What is
This is the.
Mr. Please allow me to submit. What is this?
Just let him. Yes.
Allow me to complete my submission. What is this are you doing?
Yes, please.
Can I request your lordship to tell him to take
No,
his seat?
please sit down. Mr. No, please sit down. Yes, what you saying?
Yes, my lord. Kindly similar 2010 13 SEC 158 para 43. There is
Which
one
case?
more aspect.
Case
This say Lord Patina, Om Prakash Verma and others, but the state of Andhra Pradesh and others.
Hmm.
Kindly see this one. Para 43. This gives a dimension to another aspect of that. What your lordships are saying is correct, man. That is not disputed. But what he is saying is, once an appeal in a civil dispute, once an appeal is filed.
Sir, SLP is not appeal for your kind information till it is allowed.
Correct, my lord.
Yes.
We have filed
a
an
special leave petition.
lordship may reject
So
my
if,
content.
if that is allowed, then it
That's a
becomes
civil appeal, my lord.
appeal.
Your lordship has the highest experience of doing in Supreme Court, my lord, but still we have.
That's why
Lord,
appeal
still
is
we
in a
have
different
some.
footing.
Lord, still we have.
SLP is in a different footing.
My lord, your lordship
That's why
has
I'm
the
saying.
more experience in comparative
not
laws in
that, sir.
Supreme
This
Court.
is
I know
law,
that.
and I'm discussing law.
But
nothing else.
still, let me have my little submission before your
Yes,
lordship,
yes.
my lord. What I am saying is, Lord, once an appeal is filed, may not be a civil appeal. Once it is admitted, then civil appeal. But SLP is filed. Once an appeal is filed,
Sir, SLP is not an appeal. Let me tell you very frankly, SLP is not an appeal.
right, my lord. But
It
an
is a
application.
Special leave petition.
But an application against the judgment before the Supreme Court.
Maybe
So
unless
that-
it is allowed, then it is converted to appeal. Even SLP, if it is allowed next day, you after the next day you get the order.
Right, my lord.
That is
But
appeals
Lord,
to
let
civil
me
court.
have my submission one after other. Your lordship will consider and pass order, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, I am sure that your lordship will consider my submissions, my lord. My lord, here that says, of course, this says appeal. I have filed an application before the Lord Supreme Court that destroys the finality of the judgment.
Sorry,
That destroys finality of the judgment.
I don't agree with you.
Lord, your lordship, my lord,
You know, just mere
I can't-
filing, mere
That is one.
filing, and SLP never destroys the judgment
But
unless
that is what
it
Supreme Court says.
allowed.
That Supreme Court says
That
your lordship
may
is
be
to
in
consider that.
Some case in some context that is not the applicability.
Lord, your lordship may reject my submission, but Supreme Court says that it is for your lordship to consider.
In a civil
I have-
case, this is some in civil case, some cases which
Lord, in my objection, I have cited the judgment.
And
Lordship may
SLP
consider
says
my second. Let me allow
SLP
me to.
not even allowed.
Lord, allow me to
SLP
go to
not
my
even
second.
allowed. You are
Lord,
stating this just you have filed, maybe with some defect, something is still
Let
there.
me
still
come
there.
to my second point, my lord.
No,
Let me come to my second point.
this I
This
don't
cannot be allowed, my lord.
This I-
He cannot be allowed to withdraw the amount for a simple reason. Lordship will kindly consider that he cannot be allowed to withdraw this amount from this honorable court. That is because he has filed an execution case to execute the decree. In that execution
And
case,
you can say all these things, but just because SLP is filed, it is.
my
that you
lord,
can't
as
say.
lawyers,
That you
we will submit many things, my lord.
No.
It is for
you
your
are-
lordship
you-
to
you
reject
are
our
not-
contention.
you are
We
sitting
always,
down. I am not expecting you to submit
my
many
lord,
things.
we
You submit
always
the-
run the risk of being rejected, my lord.
No.
Hardly we get
No,
allowed.
we are saying.
We always run
what
the
I'm
risk
saying,
of getting rejected.
If it is execution petition filed, so you follow that execution.
Yes, and we have filed 47 applications challenging the
Why
executability.
don't you take up that?
My lord, first. This is a such report of the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court website. There is only one case that the appellant company has filed in 2013. That is Jindal India Thermal versus Commissioner.
They might have filed SLP against this.
My lord, they have not filed anything. They have,
Sir, how do you know, sir?
This is the
You do check every day.
Yes, even
We
half
have
an hour
given
ago I
the,
said.
we have given the number.
I can search it now.
We
Now
have given
itself,
the
if
number.
I can have somebody say, you pesh kar
Now,
check.
what is the number? Tell me.
Lord, I have
My
given
lord,
the
I
number.
kindly give
hold
that.
on.
My lord, the website, Honorable High Court, Supreme Court website.
Rohan,
Is the latest.
why are you so hurried?
There-
Please sit down.
What they are stating is they are making false
Sit
statement.
down.
First of all,
Sit down. Let me understand things. Please sit down.
Lord, in para 4 of my objection on affidavit.
Just.
Right.
kindly tell him, ask, I want to know what is their case number.
I have given the number in my
Sir,
application.
it is commercial tax,
Where is
sir.
it?
What are you saying?
Sir, he has shown it. He is trying to
is
overlap
no-
the proceeding.
There is no
On
such,
affidavit, I have said.
there is no such.
Commercial tax
Sir,
matter.
he has filed something else to mislead the court.
You have challenged this matter.
Yes, on affidavit I have filed.
What is the number? What is the diary number?
Para 4.
No, I want to see
here.
here. I want to see here. I want to see here. I have my mechanism. Why should I?
Your lordship, yes.
Just,
That
just,
time
just,
hold
hold
on.
on.
Don't show it. Doesn't know anything misleading the court.
Right.
ଓ ସାର୍ ସେଇଠି ଚେକଅପ୍ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି କି?
ହଁ, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି?
Three 31078 of 2023. We have
Yes.
given the number.
Just a minute.
Sir, ସେଟା
My-
computer ଆସିଲେ ନା ଆସିନି?
What is this? This
Diary number is 31078 of 2023. Sir, computer printout ଏଇଠି ଅଛି. Computer ଜାଣି.
କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. 31
31078 of 2023.
23. Just a minute.
My lord, that amount was taken.
Just sir, hold on. SLP, Jindal India Thermal Power through this quartz infrastructure fees fine pending. It is pending.
According to my, what my said.
Your knowledge according to that, it is pending. I can see here. I
This
can't
is what-
turn and show you, but it is
No, no,
here.
I have,
If you have
I
phone
have a
number,
set.
give me.
I have a
I'll
set,
give
my
you.
lord. I have
Yeah,
not
phone-
manipulated this. I can show the
My
set.
lord,
Take
is
your camera
asking-
on, give me. I will find it.
I have appeared in that
Well,
matter. Entry tax interest matter.
Yes, I have given it, I have given it.
I will show. See this. I opened it.
My lord
Hala.
has the taken pain to open this.
Now you see. See this. This is pending.
Okay.
They're right.
Yes.
Don't oppose for opposing sake, sir. Everything.
No,
When
that
there
money,
is a
that
reason for
that
the
amount
oppose-
was taken to release his bank account, his bank accounts was.
Sir, you
my
have
lord.
execution petition. Why don't you follow that?
Yes.
We are
Yes.
following that remaining amount we are following. Because there is a
That's
money
He has
there.
filed the entire amount.
My lord, this is the simple logic here.
When is it
My lord.
likely to be listed?
21st.
21st is date fixed, man.
Just 25?
Yes.
Just wait. Another 10, 11 days. Wait.
Yes, yes.
Let's see.
Yesterday, on 31st, that matter was taken up by the commercial court. The
Sir,
execution.
forget this. I'm talking about this SLP. Just 11 days. Why don't you wait?
SLP is not on 21st. Execution is on 21st.
The other execution
Why should you
petition,
follow that?
there he is stating that I am drawing 7.5 crores from this court. So he is cleverly,
Sir, you have
he is
execution case filed.
intertangling me in both courts. He is going there and, my lord, this is the petition. I have a copy of the.
Okay, I'm just not hearing anything. Just if you are not listening to me, I'm least bothered about anybody.
No, I'm just sincere.
Sir,
Is
I'm
that
saying you have filed execution. Why don't you follow that?
that execution has been pending for
So what?
6
Pending for,
years.
this
For
case
6
was
years.
pending for many years.
Yes,
I have
for 6
heard,
years, my lord.
Like that, he will also
No,
hear.
that has been going on.
So you follow that?
My lord, after section 34 was dismissed, the Honorable Justice Judge has attached and he was about to draw the amount and give it to me, whatever is lying in their accounts. 3 accounts, all 3 accounts of the company. So he has cleverly brought that into this appeal. Instead asked, this is his prayer before your honor.
How much amount now deposited?
7.5 crores.
Huh?
They have deposited 7.5 crores 2 years ago.
Let's do one thing.
Pending the adjudication of this section 37. Now section 37 is dismissed.
Let me suggest, my lord.
Where is the execution petition pending?
Let me suggest, my lord. What I'm trying to suggest is,
in the commercial court.
Mr. Raju, allow me to submit. Let me suggest, my lord. This amount, let it go back to the execution case. Let the matter be proceeded there. The executing court, if files, we have applied for 47 CPC to drop the execution case. Whatever decision comes out in the execution case, that will abide. He will take away the money from
Why
that.
should this amount go there?
Because he can only withdraw it from the executing court. It can't be, it's an amount, because while disposing of the matter, your lordship never directed to release in their favor. Now he is asking IA to review the judgment. It's not permissible.
Amount should have been
Please don't ask me.
deposited. When the accounts were there.
Directed to release the amount, not directly give them, not dealt with that the amount payment.
Pay. Not to release from this court.
Yeah, no, that I'm not.
Yes.
So that was not.
That's what I'm saying. So let it go back to the executing
That
court.
thing, money was deposited, not deposited, not told me.
Right, my lord.
Pass that also.
Right, my lord.
That was not told at all.
So
You have argued so many things, but that thing has not been told.
Since that is not there.
Anyway, that's see. He has the right to say all these things. We can't say that.
I don't know.
So do you one thing, sir? You just pursue your case there at this.
But I want to know what will be the fate of this amount that is being deposited.
Your money will be
That amount is clearly
Money
deposited.
is not going to be
Anywhere.
anywhere. It will be here only. Don't worry.
Interest bearing account.
Then interest भी मिलेगा. Then why are you worried about it?
We don't work for interest, my lord. Companies
don't
don't
want
work for interest. We get it, take
7
it.
crore
But we don't
much
work
interest
for
we
it.
get?
There is a business. We have to run a business. We are not after the interest. No business is after. We are not a State Bank of India or a finance company. My lord, with due
Sir,
respect,
but-
with utmost respect, we don't work for it. We want to put that
abandoning your
in. No, we want to put that into our business and grow our business. That is not never been the take it from a bank for 7% and lend it to somebody. That's not our business.
It is your right. I'm not saying whether you want to take it or not. That's up to you. It is your right. You should get money. That's the only thing. Do one thing. You whatever your education case, just why don't you pursue that case? If the education case is done, you get the order.
Entire money you will get.
You get the whole amount.
Let that be recorded. Let there be.
Yes, let
Let it be recorded.
Let it on
What
record.
is the
Because he is there, he is submitting that he is drawing the amount, so he escaped for 3 weeks. Stating that I will clarify.
No.
right?
Incorrect. Who does it? I does it. Mister देखो ना. Like no.
Kindly record all the arguments, my lord.
Yeah.
IA number 29 of 2023 flag 20. IA number 29 of 23 flag 20. नहीं सर अच्छे ना flag 20 रज
Flag 20 online. I have flag ABCD like this, not 20.
but list रे indicate is flag 20.
Objection also.
But the IA also I have attached along with the objection. Thank you.
But the execution petition is pertaining to 191 of 2011.
17.
17. Na?
158 of 2017.
158 of so that is
158 of
No. 158. 1 second. 158 of 2017. It was originally filed in the court of district court on good. Now it has transferred to the commercial court here, renumbered has been made 568 of 2022.
Where is this? କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ।
Sir, ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି copy ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ।
ଏ ତ ଖାଲି front page ଅଛି।
ମୁଁ copy ଦଉଛି।
Where is this? No, let it come. Just, no, I don't know. It is 4. This is only one page. Nothing is there. Just don't you find? କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ। ଏଇଟା କଣ ଦେଖିବି? Only front page is there. No other middle page is not there. You file it proper copy. I'm not going to do it. File it properly.
Objection.
Monday. ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ରେ କାହିଁ ନାହିଁ?
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆଜିକାଲି ହଉନି କି ଯୋଉ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ସ୍କାନିଂ
Mr.
But the amount, the amount to be deposited, this is passed by the 37 courts, sir.
that is as a condition of a stay of execution case passed by the appellate court here.
So that money is then here
No,
pending.
money may be pending here, but not for disbursal. Because execution case, we have taken a stand, but today, your Lordship may appreciate. 1 second. Lord, execution case, we have taken a stand that decree is not executable. The reason being, there are valid grounds we have taken in 47 application. He takes away money from this court. What happens to our appeal and what happens to our petition for maintainability of execution is there. He will go away with money. How can we recover it? So that's the reason we have said that let the money go back to the executing court.
My lord, all these are
Let the money go back to the
arguments they are inventing. Now he is stating for 6 years he sat through the entire execution case. 2 times his bank guarantees were attached.
Execution case
My
is
lord,
filed,
my lord, one
filed,
second.
filed. When was it?
My lord, 2
When was
times
it filed? Execution case.
execution was initiated in 2000 when the award was passed.
2017.
17. For 6 years he sat through that. Now he is inventing some false ground before the other court.
But 6 years.
This is what is happening.
34, 37.
No, now he is saying
Sir,
after.
Matter is pending. What he can do?
No, we cannot do it. He want to intermediate. He want to tangle me in this. No, no. My lord, my humble.
Sir, execution case is pending before that court. He is not delaying things.
Not at all.
He is not delaying.
He has now invented another false petition there.
He is
That maintainability, he is questioning the maintainability of that petition after 6 years.
Let me do one thing to cut the matter short. Let the SLP decide it, and the 10-15 days SLP will decide it. Then I'll pass.
That will be
very comprehensive order.
Every possibility of
Until that I let it be kept pending.
I'll let it.
I will accept it.
Once
Kindly
the
record.
SLP dismissed,
My-
all money will be released to your favor.
My
99% of getting is dismissed.
SLP, let the SLP get dismissed.
6 years, 2
He
court.
knows
Right.
Are you
But then
questioning
legal
the
limit
honorable?
is there.
No.
Are you questioning the wisdom of the honorable?
Suppose the SLP is dismissed tomorrow.
End of the matter.
Then the entire money will get sir. Just wait 10-15 days.
10,
I'm just
Let the money be transferred to the other court.
okay. Wait for just wait
Kindly, if there is a mechanism.
Wait for some time.
There is a mechanism to transfer it. Kindly transfer.
That
it
will
to
be
the
done.
other.
Don't worry. Let this IA be kept pending.
Pending, yes.
Just wait for 10-15 days.
Yes.
SLP is fair to
My
be
lord,
clear.
my lord, he is thinking that he is only who can go to the Supreme Court. These days, everybody, I have already gone and he lost the
Yes,
case.
yes, yes.
He ran away withdrawing those cases.
Just wait for 50.
So let it be recorded. My kind objection is I will also.
Let
My-
the
my
fate
lord,
of the
my-
SLP
my humble sub-
decided, you will get the whole amount, sir.
No, no.
Wait for.
My lord, kindly, my humble submission is no more arguments. I will not. Kindly record what his stand is, what is going on here today. In the shortest phrases
My lord is
possible,
not a
I will
sovereign
also
writer.
move the Honorable
I
Supreme Court.
see. I am not doing anything to
He
just
is now
simply-
threatening me with SLP, this and this
simply,
and this.
simply, I am just let this be kept pending till the next date.
Yes.
I'm doing nothing. Once the SLP is dismissed, suppose dismissed, then you get back the whole amount. I'll pass on it. Don't worry. Everything will finish here only.
Sum and substance, that's all my request. Until the SLP is decided, this will be remains pending. This much kindly record it. That's all.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay. The IA filed by you have filed it.
IA filed by Mr. Raju.
Okay. The IA
IA
filed by
number
the
29.
respondent. Bearing IA number 29 of 2023, arising out of ARBA number 4 of 2021, is taken up today, Mr. Land Council Pada.
Maybe
Appellant,
my
Mr. Rath
my lord.
submits that. Just give me.
Well,
Just
no,
submit that since the SLP is pending.
Usually
before
we
the
do not
Supreme
disturb the
Court.
court when the court is dictating.
SLP is pending before the Supreme Court of India. And it's likely to be listed in 2 weeks' time. In such view of the matter. Let the matter lie over
my
till the next date. List the matter on
My lord.
September 30th August.
That's it.
my lord.
That one small
Only
prayer,
with that, what I have stated, I'm grateful for recording.
I am
my-
not
what-
recording anything,
record-
only-
whatever
only
has
this
been
much.
recorded, that is
Let it come.
my idea, but I have one question is lingering in my mind. What happens if the SLP is not taken up for 6 months? Then the executive,
doesn't happen,
then
sir.
he would say,
Believe in
before the
Supreme Court.
I know this litigant, my lord. I have
Believe
been
in
fighting
Supreme-
every
my lord,
day. I have
High
been
Court and
fighting.
Supreme
My
Court.
learned
Yes,
judge
but
is forgetting
I've
to
been
whom he
fighting.
is asking.
Okay, next item.
I know.
I am not hearing anything. Just हो गया.
My lord, one prayer.
Next item.
One prayer, my lord. One more ଗୋଟେ prayer ଅଛି। ଟିକେ ମୋ appearance ର note କରନ୍ତୁ with Mr. Das appearing with me। ସେଟା ଟିକେ ହେଲେ
Give a chart, a cheat.
yes
Last time.
Okay. Give a memo. Give a memo.
yes
Because you sometimes you don't give a menu. You don't remember everybody's name.
I am giving it please give it
Give the memo. That's all.
My lord, urgent copy maybe, sir.
I copy.
Urgent copy of their order.
Oh, tomorrow. Today is not. You can download it from the website. What's the problem? Next,
Item number 27.
27.
My lord, here, even if admitted that the petitioner secured highest mark in Anganwadi selection process, but due to his name has been in the survey report, they have omitted the name of the petitioner for which they have rejected my candidature. And
What
I
survey
made
Just what survey report?
survey by the CDPO, that house to house survey. That from this house to that. But thereafter, I made a complaint to the sub-collector. Sub-collector withhold the selection and directed them for make an further inquiry. And your lordship kindly have page to page 33.
What is your grievance? Come to one line. Tell me in one line. What is this?
I have secured the highest mark. I
You have
have
secured the highest mark. Okay. Why they have not considered you?
because they in their survey report, my name was not there in the first survey report. They are saying that I was not available in the place in the Anganwadi center area because I am the resident of that village. But Anganwadi center area, I was not present. But thereafter, the CDPO made an inquiry and page 33. At that point of time, I was there in my mother-in-law's house. They have stated also.
Should I go and check whether your mother-in-law house or
No. That is the report. No. That is the report. That is the report.
Why should I go into all these things? You were not there, not there.
No, my lord. That is
what is on what basis I will ascertain that you are there or you are not there? Is
They
it
have
trial court?
No, my lord. They have inquired into the matter. Sub-collector considering my grievance, you are therefore directed to withhold the recruitment policy and not to issue appointment letter to any selected candidate for Nuagada 1 Anganwadi Center and to not to receive the joining letter of the candidate. You are also directed to submit the entire document of the selection for the Anganwadi worker of the above center for scrutiny. In the next letter, the Tahsildar inquired into the matter. He said that, inviting reference to letter on subject cited, I am to inform you that on my direction, after receipt of our letter regarding inquiry into the service area of ICDS project.
Okay. What is your view? What do you say?
They have
Well,
filed
one
their
thing. Just a minute. When your survey officer will go, is it necessary that the person should be present at that time? He might have gone for some other work. Somewhere he might have gone. How long? What is the long period of time? What is the long period of time he was absent? But he has a house there. Just because a person doesn't stay there, he is not a resident. What kind of logic you are applying? No, in the meantime, I am not going to listen. When a person is not there in the house for suppose for 1 year also, he is not a resident of that village. That is wrong instruction. Tell your officer they are wrongly done. That is wrong, totally wrong. How can you expect a person to be? He might have some other thing. He might have gone somewhere. He might have, but he has a house. 7. Okay. Lord counsel the petitioner to ensure that the opposite party number 7 receives notice.
Now, my lord, the state has already filed counter, and I have filed rejoinder.
But opposite party has not yet come.
No, because it is the state action which I am challenging.
Arey sir, state action, but the other party will not make party.
My lord, I have made them party.
Then you do one thing. You just take a first step to.
What is my instruction? OP number 7 already joined in a bank job, and she have left his house also.
Who is selected candidate?
Selected is the OP number 7. She has already.
You take instruction whether OP number 7 is still working or he has joined somewhere. And consider the state to take instruction regarding the status of the employment of the OP number 7. List the matter on 22nd. Let's see. Next.
28.
Please, my lords. Lords, in the last opinion, lords, we directed the state to take instructions. My lords, what is the 10 decimal land, my lords, and I'll take lordships to the IN number 11017.
Is it land acquisition matter?
That is the letter.
Matter is not a subject matter.
But this is an IA filed in an application where they had tried to cancel my medical shop license.
Oh, medical shop.
And it was on the plot of a person who has got the communication from the chief engineer. My lord, may kindly go to IA number 11017 at page number 6, lordships, annexure 1. It would make everything clear. On that note, lordships have directed them to page number 6, my lords. Last 4 lines, lordships, of page number 6. After detailed inspection by the department, pursuant to the representation to the chief minister's grievance, may I read, lordships? In view of the above, the authority may consider for return of the patch of land, medicine store, to original landowner so and so, as the said store is situated away from the 4-lane carriageway, and at present there is no proposal of further expansion of the road, wide so and so, copy enclosed. Well, on this basis, lordships have directed them to get instructions, my lords. I am ready and willing to pay them the money. A small 10 decimal, lordships. No.
What instruction you have taken on this? On the order?
My lord, I may please.
Who are you?
I am the first intervener.
What is the role of intervener?
How are you affected?
My lord,
who are you?
I am the first intervener.
I know intervener,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
but
yes,
who
my
are
lord.
you?
What is it?
On my
Just saying intervener, who are you? How are
yes,
you
my
affected? You
lord,
have to tell me.
on instances of my complaint, the
Who are
license,
you, first of all? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
I am another medicine shop.
What
And-
is your problem? Another medicine shop.
No, my lord, it was a forgery.
Between the government and the government will find out who are you to enter.
my
I cannot
application
allow
is-
any intervention.
My lord, it's a
I
forgery.
am not allowing any intervention. If you cannot show your cause of action or affecting you, I am not going to allow it.
Lordship may check his credentials
Well,
also.
This is,
Not-
see,
in the-
you are a competitor. Why are you after
No, no.
another shop?
On my instances of complaint, the proceeding
Your
was initiated,
instances
the
may
license
be.
was
I am
cancelled.
not going to. This is between the government and him, not you. You are
Please,
nobody.
My lord,
You are nobody.
my lord,
Sorry.
kindly
Unnecessary,
maybe seen
wrong,
the-
wrong person. You are the wrong person.
my lord, July order for eviction.
I
State-
am
state.
not bothered about what, sir.
Even-
What is the locus, Lordships? What
But
is
you
the
are
locus?
locus. You are
His
another
credentials
competitor.
has to be checked, Lordships. He is
Not
working
a-
at the behest of some other store. His
Ah.
IA reads that he is not
My
even
lord,
a
no,
medical
my
shop owner, my lord.
instances of complaint, I
I see
exposed
his,
the
my lords,
I
fraud.
am first of
a
all,
source of
you
blackmail
are
in the local
nobody.
area.
You are a blackmailer, just a black.
No, man,
Nothing.
no, man.
Then why are you going to for complaint?
But
It's
a
a-
medicine
They
store,
submitted
Lordship.
forged
This is the
document.
government and between the dispute between government and this shop owner. What is your locus?
I mean, Chief Engineer Road writes that the land can be returned,
not
Lordship.
done.
On that, Lordship will ask them to
Unless
get
anybody
instructions.
who comes as intervener. That intervention I don't allow. Sorry,
And intervener running for a 10 feet
intervention
shop.
application disallowed, rejected. I don't entertain this kind. Okay, if you have a sufficient ground, I can
It's
understand.
not a public interest, my lords.
Anybody can complain and I
Private litigant.
intervention.
My lord, no cause of action exists in this case
No. Sir.
because license has already
The court
expired.
is to decide.
Here you are a shop owner. You are another shop owner.
No, my lords. He has nowhere stated.
Who are you?
Another
Exactly.
person.
Who another person? Who?
Local,
What is-
local,
what is your
area,
profession?
local area, my lord.
What is your profession?
Profession.
What is your profession?
No, I am a local person.
Who are you? What
I'm
is
a
your
local
profession? Tell
person,
me.
my lord.
Local person means what? How are you affected?
No,
If a medicine shop is open or closed,
I
what is, how
saw
are you
the-
And
affected?
specifically, my lords, my
I
store.
saw that forged document has been
Only
submitted.
my
license
store,
has been
my lord.
What is
obtained.
your problem, sir? It is between government and him.
My lord, there are
filed-
scores of stores
Even
on the
if
same
for-
highway.
Even if forged document is submitted,
I filed a
how are you affected? Is it affecting your interest?
My lord, it's
Unnecessarily,
a
it is
public
just anybody
road.
comes and
The
intervenes.
licensee and the licensor, my lords.
It is between
No
the
locus.
dispute between these two parties. Why are you unnecessarily coming and in between?
Yes, my lord.
Working at the behest.
Intervention application, the intervention has no locus to be to in this present list. So the intervention application is rejected. Next. Yes, now you said.
I'll take some time for instruction. That was a pleading.
How long will take
Not
instruction?
1 week, not more than that. And in the
Their
meantime,
own letter, my lords, at
may I also-
2nd June, lordships, their own chief inner rights.
that is correct. Only 7 days. Not more.
Land Council of the State.
Till then, that will be status quo till further orders, my lords. Because
We
they,
are continuing there.
yes, I am continuing.
In the meantime, my lord, may kindly have a look at the prayer portion. I think that needs to be amended.
What is the prayer?
This is the same interim application. It's supposed to be an implement application. I
Yeah,
think
implement we have filed, my lords. There are 2 applications, one for implement, the other is for direction.
You have
My-
implemented whom?
No,
No, the landowner wants to implement himself in this drug license writ petition, my lordships. So that is why we have filed
When I
application
said
implement
implement-
and a application direction.
The notice,
Yes, last time lordships had directed them to insist on.
Notice submission. देखिए.
And we have sought copies to them last occasion, lords, on 27th.
I said implement hoba kotha je, but I think it's a mistake there that needs to
But
be amended.
technicality should be.
Anyway, you take Dasti and give service.
Please, my lords.
Land Council.
Status quo on further
Land
orders,
Council,
lords.
the petitioner is directed to. Open number kete sita ichi? Implemented? 6. 6 it is. 5 drug inspector na 6 it is. Hello?
The 6.
6. Open number 6, the newly implemented party / open number 6. Any? कितना? Number जाइन. I 6 बता. Open number 6, the newly implemented party. Thus the service is allowed to.
Please, ma'am. Status quo to further orders.
In the meantime, this order is there. Status quo.
Past order. 18/5/22.
18/5/22.
The interim order to continue till the next date. No? Interim order passed by this court shall continue till the next date.
Please, madam. Obliged.
Okay, didn't have to continue. List the matter on 14.
Right.
14 16, whatever.
16.
16 is better.
16, man. Please, man. Oblige, Lordship.
Next,
Item number 29.
General Manager Watco.
Please, your lordship, item 29 is right now infructuous, your lordship. That's section 9
Yeah, for,
petition.
yeah, for.
I'm for the appellant, your lordship. That section 9 petition has been decided and most probably they have preferred an appeal before this honorable court only. Hence it is infructuous right
Different appeal.
now. The arbitration petition that was preferred before this honorable court in item 29, it was with regards to a direction to conclude that section 9 proceeding within a stipulated
that
period.
is-
It has
this is
already
for
been.
that purpose only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, learn counsel for the petitioner. Yeah, for the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Submits that the ARB 13 up to 2023 is infructuous since the cause of since the cause of action doesn't survive anymore. Okay. The cause of action raised in the said arbitration appeal doesn't survive anymore. Huh?
Okay.
Next.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Item number 30.
30 my lord had called for
may be
instruction on
my
the IIC Golanthara.
My lord,
Instruction to ASCINI short time.
IIC Golanthara coming?
Yes, a charge sheet, whether charge sheet has been filed and what is the status of defense.
I have the charge sheet copy, my lord. Certified copy of the charge sheet.
30, item 30. Acha.
My lord, case of my lord only to operate the present petitioner saving bank account, my lord.
Oh,
And now charge sheet is submitted 498A with other allied offense, my lord. No 420 is there, my lord, in charge
the
sheet.
approach of the police station.
Only again.
My lord, I am for the bank, my lord. I
You-
filed
you
my
tell the
counter.
police station,
lord.
give a letter to the bank.
Yes,
will-
Only that is.
Yes, the police station has given a letter for
That's
which
what I'm
we have
saying.
seized the account.
That's what I'm saying. If the police station tomorrow says that, please
Yes.
defreeze, they will defreeze. The
Well,
bank has nothing to do it on its own.
Liberty
Yes,
may
They will
that's
just,
right, that's right. That's right.
The petitioner to, Lord counsel for the petitioner to approach the police station koda,
Golanthara.
Golanthara. Requesting the police, the IIC Golanthara to make a request to the State Bank of India,
State Bank of India
Medical
Medical Campus, MKCG Medical Campus, Barampur.
MKCG Medical Campus, branch, Barampur. The bank, learned counsel for the bank, Mr. Misra states that the bank doesn't have any objection if a letter received from the police station
Or any order from this honorable court also will comply.
regarding, no, let the police station say that.
Because the
regarding-
charge sheet has already been filed, there are 3 persons.
And then the police station do that.
Because,
Regarding the defreezing of the account, the question. And the police station, the IIC Golanthara shall take steps to issue a letter in accordance with law.
Since the charge sheet has already been filed,
Since the charge sheet has already been filed, no?
obligement.
Obligement.
And the said process be completed within a period of 15 days from now.
Obligement.
The said letter be issued by the, not process, the said letter be issued by the IIC Golanthara within a week from the date of presentation of this order. Hala?
Obligement.
Case may be disposed of.
Next.
Item number 32.
32.
Item 32 on the modification of order, lordship. Order.
What is wrong?
But there is the typography.
ଆମର କରିକି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଭୁଲ
Lordship there.
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପେନସିଲ ରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କରିଦେବେ ହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା ସେ କରିଦେବୁ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ପେନ୍ ଜେରକ୍ସ ରେ ପେନ୍ ରେ ଲେଖିବି।
ଆଉ ପେନସିଲ ରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ଅଛି ସେ ସବୁ କରିଦେବେ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
33.
33
May I please, lordship? My lord, kindly see the last order. Last occasion, your lordship direct to the state government to
Discussed on areas. My lordship had asked to
areas
post a
that
question.
my case is concerned, my lord. They are not regular in my service. and not disburse my arrear salary. You'll also be direct to the state government to disburse the interest amount, my lord.
No, no, there is no direction to disburse the interest amount. My lord.
Which order? Which order? Tell me.
My lord, kindly see the order dated 18/7/2023, my lord.
18/7.
My lord.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଚଲେଇବେ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ସରିବେନି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord.
ବାଇ ଏବରେ 2000 କେତେ 3 ର ମ୍ୟାଟର
He cannot be regularized because there is no such sanctioned post. So he is not serving now.
It's a different thing.
Again.
So what the order code 18/7.
18/7.
Again.
Just take instruction on the payment of interest of arrear.
Again, my lord, there is no prayer in the read, therefore we have
So you have
difficulty.
taken instruction.
My lord.
You have taken instruction.
Yes, so that's the instruction that since there is no prayer in the writ for any interest, therefore difficulty for the government to give that kind of interest. So according
Even
to
if
what
not-
my lord thinks
Even if there
proper.
is no prayer, the court can.
Yes,
If the court finds that there is a.
of course. I am not submitting that because it will be on record. What my lord
So,
says.
for how many days they have not paid?
My lord, kindly see, place my case. You'll also be here moment. Then you'll also pass any order. I have no objection.
So what is the job you are?
He was a music
My lord,
teacher.
I was
Serving
appointed
in which job?
music teacher, my lord.
Music teacher.
Yes, my lord.
Is there any music teachers?
Yes, my lord. Similar situated person.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
When you joined there at that time.
18/7/1979.
18/7/1979.
The petitioner was initially appointed as a part-time music teacher.
Part-time, full-time କେବେଠୁ ହେଲେ?
Full-time only on 7/12/1984.
7/2.
7th December.
1984 ରେ full-time ହେଲେ?
Aଜ୍ଞା.
Regularize ହେଲେ?
The managing committee of this.
Regularize ହେଲେ?
Aଜ୍ଞା, Annexure 4 page 18.
Regularize ହେଲେ ନା managing committee କଲା?
Managing committee regularize କରିଲା.
Managing committee କିଏ regularize କରିବେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମତେ part time ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା managing committee recommend କରେ
ହଁ।
director କରିବ regularize।
ହଁ।
managing committee କେମିତି କରିବ?
ନାଇଁ managing committee ଯୋଉ ମତେ part time ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମତେ full time ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
ସେଇଟା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
I am on different point.
My lord.
You are seeking regularization. You
Yes,
were seeking regularization.
I am seeking a
So
regularization.
you have been regularized. Your post have been regularized.
Till today I am not regularized, my lord.
ଆପଣ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିସାରିଲେ ନା till today ଆପଣ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ। 20
So ଯଦି ସେମାନେ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏବେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ କରିବେ?
ମାନେ initially I was filed a writ application before this honorable court.
ଆର ରିପ୍ଲିକେସନ କଣ ସେଟା ପ୍ରୋସିଡୁରାଲ କଥା ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ କୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ କୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପଛେ ଆପଣ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ କଣ ହେଲା ସେ ଓଏଟି କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କହିଲା
ଠିକ-
ନଟ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍।
ହଁ।
ମାଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଇଜ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଭେରି ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ।
My lord.
ଆପଣ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ କମିଟି ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରାଇଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଏଡକ୍ ହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏଡକ୍ ପରେ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲେ 84 ରେ
84 ରେ।
right till then I mean since then you are continuing there, you are continuing
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
as music teacher but you are appointed by the managing committee.
Yes, my
It
lord.
was not taken over or recognized by the government. Recognized maybe but not taken over by the government. It means your post was not regularized till you retire.
Yes, my lord.
So then what kind of regulation you are seeking?
My lord. My lord, I am pressing my case, my lord. On 22/10/86, when the managing committee regularized my service, the
Sir,
head,
managing committee regularized service means that is
Permanent.
not government.
not government,
Ah.
the headmistress of the school issued a reminder to the deputy director of Orissa regarding regularization of the service of the music teacher and to release his salary under Annexure 5. On 23/1986, again the headmistress of the school moved the deputy director WE Odisha inspector of school Sundargarh Circle for regularization of the services of petitioner in full-time basis.
अच्छा मुझे ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ similarly situated person କାହାର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
regularize ହେଇଛି କି?
ହେଇଛି।
ଏଇ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
2002 ରୁ he is not joined. He is not in duty anymore. From 2002 he is not in duty.
My lord, 1983, the post of part-time music teacher already created with effect from 1784. By the time the petitioner was appointed music teacher on curriculum of the board, both of the optional and external, which were examined by the subject to them.
Sir, I am asking a
Yes, my
simple question. Why are you going here and reading unnecessary thing? I am asking if a similarly situated person.
My lord, kindly see Annexure 13. My lord, kindly see Annexure 13.
ଏମିତି ଆଡିବା ଜିନିଷ ପଢନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ,
Puରା
Annexure
come to
13.
the right point.
Yes, my lord.
खाली एनेक्शन करके जो लास्ट किछि
पेज 49 टू 50
खुदा पहाड़ निकला चूहा एंदी हवा अवस्था
नहीं आपण टिके देखंतु
हां मु देखुची
अनेक्स 13
मैं ए बुझी गलिन केस म आ मते कोन आपण जते बुलै बसले मु
नहीं
जानि
मु आगे बुलो
केस रे किछि नाही
मु आगे बुलोनी आपण कहले जे माने
एने तणे एनेक्शन करले मु जानि दिए आपण गुट्टे पॉइंट धड़कना से पॉइंट देखै थांते मते जदि आपण केस रे मेरिट थांता आपण मुझे भी जानि छथि बोथ ऑफ यू नो आई एम ऑन ट्रायल या
मतलब कहली से अनेक्स 13
हां एनेक्स 13 कोन अछि
Similar situated part-time music teachers approach the learned Odisha Administrative Tribunal by filing way number such and such, seeking for regulation of their services. The Honorable Tribunal, by order dated 24/5/95, disposed of the aforesaid original application, directing the Director of Secondary Education Odisha for take steps to regulate the services.
Again, এটা order. এই directing disposal এটা ଗୋଟେ order. ଏଇଥିରେ କଣ ସେ order ରେ କଣ ହେଲା ମତେ କହନ୍ତୁ
हां तापर करदेले बस मैंने
तापर कोड रेगुलराइज करछि से ऑर्डर देखांतु मते ई के ट्राइब्यूनल गले ट्राइब्यूनल डायरेक्शन देला और डिस्पोज ऑफ कर देला ऑर्डर रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोज ऑर्डर एटा ऑर्डर रूल भाबे नु
नहीं तापर
कोठी रेगुलराइज करछि सेटा देखांतु
नहीं तापर से माने सुप्रीम कोर्ट पळेले
से कोर्ट की के गला छाड़ दो रेगुलराइज हेछि कि सेटा मते देखांतु के सुप्रीम कोर्ट गला के कोर्ट गला मु आई लिस्ट बदड़
after dismissal of the SLP the state government have already regulated the service of 15 part-time music teachers from 96 and those 15 music teachers have been availing all benefits of regular full-time music teachers in the
सेही जो 15 टा को रेगुलाइज कला सेही सर्कुलर आनो सेही सर्कुलर आनो सेही बेसिस रे ऑर्डर पास करू आनो तू सेही ऑर्डर आनले से अब
annex 14 टा सर्कुलर मिलो
काई annex 14 कौन लिखला ना कहीं सर एटा खाली एटा कह ना ना कहीं
ऑफिस ऑफ द
ना मते पूरा से जो 15 जन को जो कहउचंती तांकर ना से लेटर दे
15 जन का ना है
काई कोडी
नहीं से नहीं आपण कहले
सर्कुलर ना जो थिबो से गोटे नोटिफिकेशन हे नथिबो जे एई माने को दिया गला लेखा जतिबो एई माने को रेगुलराइज करा गला लेखा दिबो ना सेमति ना होले कि दिबो
तो जो एनेक्स 14 रे सेटा ये
ए सेटा को जान मु गप सुनेनी सर मो सब्सटेंस कोन 2 मिनिट सर जीव केस किछि नाही आपण से सर्कुलर आनु 2 मिनिट सर देबो देखै दियंतु मु संगे संग ऑर्डर पास करी आनंतु
ओके
हां लैंड काउंसिल आपण भी देखंतु लैंड काउंसिल स्टेट एज वेल एज लैंड काउंसिल पिटिशनर टू furnish the circular where the similarly placed persons like the present petitioner are regularized by the Department of School and Mass Education. Hala
सर्कुलर डेट 27/11/82
मु से डेट फट किछि दो ने आपण खाली मत देखंतु से आपण डेट मु जानि न मु देनी को सर्कुलर बाहर मु जानछि आपण जानि मु जानि ए सर्कुलर नुए मु कोछि जो नोटिफिकेशन रे सर्कुलर / नोटिफिकेशन / रेजोल्यूशन व्हाटएवर जोडा जो थरे 15 जन का ना ए मान को रेगुलराइज करा गला लिखा ही थिबो प्लस जदी आपण को स्कूल रे वर्कलोड नाही
हां
ताले आपण को हबो नाही सेटा भी इंपोर्टेंट
आपण चौकी पके देबे
वर्कलोड भी दरकार
हां
मैं से गवर्नमेंट जी
may I give a copy of the instructions again? Yeah.
पोस्ट ही नहीं सर कोड आपन देबे से पोस्ट अब 81 रो तो से पोस्ट भी नहीं
सेमन कहउचंती जे 81
स्टिक अप्रूव्ड बाय द हाई स्कूल जोडी आरआरसी थिला सेवन सुदी कॉलेज म्यूजिक सब्जेक्ट नेगिरी पढेला पिला जोठी बाहर दिबे आपण धरंतु आपण कॉलेज स्कूल रे बाहर लेनी पिला ताले टीचर रखिर कर गवर्नमेंट को
नहीं नहीं आपण टिके एनेक्स 13 टा देखंतु
सर एनेक्स में गवर्नमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन पढुची
आज्ञा ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଫଲ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖଉଛି ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ମୋର ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ ଟିଚର ପିଲା ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେଲେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ପାଇଲା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ କମିଟି ଆପଏଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ସେ ଯାହା କଲେ ସେଟା କିଛି କହିବାନି
ହଁ
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଯୋଉ ପଲିସି ହିସାବରେ ଆପଣ ପଢିବାର ଅଛି ସେ ଫ୍ରେମୱାର୍କ ନ ପଢିଲେ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ if the government policy framework doesn't allow you to continue then you are out simple
ଆଜ୍ଞା
policy framework କଣ ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଏତିକି ପିଲା ଦଉଥିବେ ଏତିକି ଆପଣ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଇନିସିଆଲି ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟ କରାହେଲା ପିଲା ସେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ 30 ପିଲା ବାହାରୁଥିଲେ ପରେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ବେଶୀ ନାହିଁ 10ଟା ପିଲା ବାହାରିଲେ 5ଟା ପିଲା ବାହାରିଲେ 30
ମିନିମମ୍ 20
ହେଲା 20 ଧରନ୍ତୁ ପିଲା ବାହାରିଲେନି ପରେ 5ଟା 7ଟା 10ଟା ପିଲା ବାହାରିଲେ 20ଟା ବାହାରିଲେନି but the managing committee can still say okay ଚାଲୁ ଥାଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
15ଟା ପିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ କରିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ has to see whether 20 students are being admitted regularly or not. If that is not so, you are not meeting the yardstick. Then you are out. This is how this is.
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇବି ମୁଁ ସେ ସର୍କୁଲାରଟା ଆଣୁଛି
ହଉ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
ମତେ ସେ କପିଟା ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ
28 ଅଗଷ୍ଟ
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କପି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦେବେ
I'll give a copy.
Okay, next.
Item 35.
5, the opposite petitioner had taken time for rejoinder.
Sir, counter not filed till today. 3 times date.
Counter not filed. No. Counter has been filed.
Counter file is taken time for rejoinder.
Sir, counter is filed, sir.
No, sir. Copy serve करना.
The copy serve करो
तो. They taken time for rejoinder. Last time I also have another copy if you want. That is not an issue.
3 times ये बड़ा copy serve.
अच्छा मते ଗୋଟେ କଥା कहନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଇଏ ପାଇ ନଥିଲେ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ପାଇଁ ଟାଇମ କେମିତି ନେଲେ
ନା sir copy ପାଇନି total 3 times ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ copy serve କରିବୁ
I'll give another.
ଆପଣ 27/6 ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ କରିବି ବୋଲି କି ଆଉ ପାଇଲେ ତ
copy note serve
ଆକାଶରୁ ଫାଇଲ କରିବି
ନା sir copy note serve ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ସେ noting ଟା list କୁ ଯାଇ
କହିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେତେବେଳେ କହିଲେନି କପି ସର୍ଭ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
କହିଥିଲି
ଆପଣ ସବ କପିଟା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ କଥା ଗୋଡା
I'll give you copy.
now give me copy
ଏବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜେରା
extra ନାହିଁ
extra କାଇଁ ଆଣିବେ ଆମର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପଇସା ଅଧିକ certain any counter or rejoinder without showing the proof that it has been served on the opposite party counsel if the registry still accept it will be tantamount to contempt of court the registrar would actually contempt use kari
27/6 ରେ
बिल्कुल आपण करिवे करि नादी साइन कोडी करि देखले आपण देइछन साइन देखा
received copy for counter पूरा
देखन आ जदी आपण करि छे आपण आपन छाडी हां
noting the my lord order and the receipt on the right hand top corner of the file
कोडी
ऊपर right hand top corner रे छोट छोट receipt लिखा है
आपण ना कोन
सर केसी से तो देवेंद्र
एटा की बात साइन के पड़छ साइन मिछड़ रे आज हाला करछन दे की बात
ना सर मु देखे सर
कोन देखि एटा मो तो देखायोनी मो मिछ कोछि
टोटली नाही 3टा डेट
माय लॉर्ड
सबमिशन कर
3 टाइम्स
व्हाई आर यू डूइंग लाइक दिस कॉपी जे तो फाइल करना तो रेजिस्टर फाइल कर कहबे मिछटा काई
सर नाही सर फिर मु टाइम नहीं था बेटा
no I will serve another copy that's not an issue
don't mislead you have signed it is your signature nobody else has signed it is your signature case is out आपन ना अरे कोन डेट होची आपन 28 रे रिसीव करछथि
my lord that remark may kindly be expunged
kindly sir copy obligate मु जरा
रिमार्क काटी दे बाकी रजिस्ट्री को without showing registry show न करबा जे registry रिसीव करबनी
से लिस्ट रे नोटिंग काटू ना
also the councils are requested to file the counter rejoinder before 3 days of listing of the matter if the said matters are not filed within 3 days of the listing of the matter such matter shall not be listed सबले काउंटर ने ए पे हमें
38.
38.
That yes, in which your lordship directed the government council to produce the validity of the residence certificate which has been issued under the 1984 rules.
My lord had
What is
called
the
for
period?
instructions. I have received the instructions.
Yeah, for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
You are saying that with reference to the letter cited above on the subject, I am to say that the residence certificate issued in favor of Aparajita Mohanty, wife of so and so, is genuine. But the genuineness of residence certificate 274 issued in favor of Aparajita Mohanty could not be verified due to non-availability of case record. Presently, Aparajita Mohanty is residing at village Khuttu Guda after her marriage since last 10 years, which is coming under Umarkot Tehsil. Further, I am to say that above residence certificate of Miss, that is Miss certificate case number so and so, were governed under Orissa Miss so and so, and the validity period of the residence certificate during the year 1220 is silent in Orissa certificate. The silent means that can't question.
My lord, only to bring the validity period, 2007 rule was introduced where 1 year was given.
So that was
Prior
later.
to that, once
That
if
was
the
later.
residence
You are
certificate
not
has been,
governed
it is
by
a
that.
permanent residence certificate.
Yes. At that time there was nothing.
There wasn't.
But I have given that certificate.
And here's the case. So you are continuing that?
No, the conditions, my lord, I am giving to you. Lordship. Let me complete. You Yes, argue yes, the yes. matter. I will remain silent when you will argue. Yes, yes, yes. Let me complete the argument. My lord, your lordship kindly come to page 9 of the brief. What are the conditions?
Page 9.
Page 9 of the brief, my lord. The candidate should be, do your lordship get my lord that page? The candidate should be permanent resident of the same gram panchayat. GP.
Okay.
The minimum educational qualification is class 10 pass.
Mark wise you are higher.
Yes, higher is not a bar, my lord. I am a graduate.
No. Mark wise you are higher than.
Yes, I am number 1.
Okay.
The selection should be based on career marking and weightage should be given as mentioned below. Age limit 21 to 35 years as on 1/4/2016. The salesman engaged by the GP for dealing with the PDS with minimum educational qualification, that is for salesman, 10th pass and given preference.
Yes.
Now you will also kindly come to the merit list, my lord, at page 15. Serial number 1, I am Aparajita Mohanty. I have secured 41.85 marks. The Khetramon
This is page?
Page 15, 1-5, my lord. Khetramon Panigrahi, he has the opposite party, he has secured intervenor opposite party, secured 39.88 marks, my lord. Why they did not give me appointment in the counter, you will also kindly come to page 18, running page 18. Paragraph 10, my lord.
Just.
That in reply. Internal page 3, brief page 18, my lord.
Page?
Page 18, running page.
Counter.
Counter internal page 3, but brief running page is 18.
Paragraph 10.
10. Let me place my lord that in reply to amendments made in paragraph 7 of the read petition, it is humbly submitted that though the petitioner submitted a residence certificate by miscase number 242746 dated 23/7/2012 to show that she is a resident of village Gudia Padar under Jharigram Panchayat Samiti, the said certificate has no force at the time of her selection, as the validity of such certificate has a limited force for 6 months only from the date of appointment as per Annex A enclosed herewith kind perusal of honor court, my lord. There is no validity in my certificate.
However, the said submission, the said submission by the state.
Lordship,
as per the letter issued by by the office of the Tahsildar Dharigram, dated 1/8/2023, wherein it has been stated that since there was no validity period governing the issuance of Miss Orissa Miss Certificate Rule 1984, under Miss Orissa Miss Certificate Rules 1984, the validity of the residential certificate of the present petitioner is silent. This is the said rule is silent on the validity issue. The said rule is silent on the validity issue. It is only in the year 2017, the new, what is that?
New rule, new miscellaneous, Orissa miscellaneous certificate rules,
Orissa Miscellaneous Certificate Rule
2017.
2017.
Came into force on 31st.
Wherein the validity, the issuance of residential the validity for issuance of residential certificate is
1 year under Rule 6.
Fixed to be 1 year.
1 year under
5
Rule
years.
6.
5 years.
No, under
I have
Rule
a
6
notification.
and
Tabare
suppose
5 year ayala. Yanko page re sir nothing.
Notilla. But certificate we know which is a certificate I have at page 26, my lord. You lost it.
Page 26. Grand Constable, the petitioner further brought to the notice of this court to the certificate issued by the office of the Tahsildar, Harigam, which was issued on 23/7/2012.
Miscellaneous certificate case number 2746. Dated 27/2012.
Certificate case number 2746, page that issued on 23/7/2012.
Yes, I have also given my lord my electoral roll of that village.
He further submit that he has also produced the electoral roll.
Then bank passbook and also Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card.
Electoral roll is sufficient.
Aadhaar card.
Electoral roll is sufficient. Not Aadhaar card is not required. Electoral roll. Electoral roll ta
Electoral roll is at page 27, my lord.
27.
Identity card.
This is identity card.
Identity
card. And also Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card is at page 29.
Residential status of the petitioner remains the same.
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me.
Lordship, kindly see, just because.
You are intervener.
No, ମୁଁ ତ amendment allow ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମୋର.
Okay, respondent number
6.
OP number 6.
6.
OP number 6, submit that. Yes.
Lordship, kindly see, I am relying on annexure 1. This advertisement, Lordship, kindly see. Page 8.
Next item, 38, 37.
38, sorry.
Page 8, Lordship.
Page 8.
Lordship, kindly see the first page, column 4 and 5. This is the mode of selection.
Opposite party.
4 or 5.
Submits that as per the
serial number.
Serial number 4 and 5.
Serial number.
The procedure of selection advertised in the advertisement dated 7 7/4/2016. And the minimum qualifications plus item procedure for selection. Okay. Next.
Lordship, kindly see 4, 5 दा देखौछि मु
4, 5.
4 टा होछि Lordship first preparation of GPO's merit list selection committee 27 stage रही GPO's merit list. First selection second list will require submission of final merit list to suppletor Nabarambur. Lordship, kindly see next page re. The candidate should be a permanent resident of GP. The reason being, Lordship, the purpose of this job is Jogan Sahag means he will distribute Lordship PDS material creation chalo bantibo gaare. So Lordship requirement tala panchayat or pilate he can work. So there is no qualification that a person will produce the resident certificate or not, but he must be a member of the permanent resident of the entire GP. So revenue, this resident certificate is never a genuine required document for this purpose. Let's kindly see. Gote panchayat re 4-5 ta bhi revenue village rahuchi. So there must be requirement of law that he must be a member of the concerned gram panchayat. So if the Lordship, then Lordship kindly come to see the
Is there any dispute that is not from that Gram Panchayat?
Lordship, no.
Is there any dispute?
Dispute.
That he is not from that, she is not from that Panchayat?
No, I say there is dispute, Lordship. Lordship, then likely come to go to the coach. Page annex 3 kya san?
Next point.
Annex 3 Lordship, can see page 15.
Page 50.
Page 15.
Yes.
Lordship, this list, Lordship, kindly see, got the list, annex 315. This is it is the selection list prepared by the Gram Panchayat. Final list upon the Baharini.
But percentage mark is no dispute.
Percent like 31, 39. Say the dispute. That is their Lordship. Kintu she Panchayat loko no. And is a lady. Lordship, kindly see, upon the report asila, she bahai ke aur ka palelani.
Allah bahai ka se gang ko asir kaam kari pani.
Kemti kari Lordship?
Lordship,
she must be a citizen. She must be a member of the Gram. She must be a member of the Gram Panchayat.
Member of Thila bahai gala.
No, Lordship, kindly see. Lordship, first more submission like page 15 ta, it is premature. Upon the Panchayat final list korini. Prior to that, he has come. Prior to coming of final selection list, she has come. Lordship, kindly
now who is doing that?
Na kiye nahanti dia solo khali pudchi kiye nahanti sie bahai ke pallani on time na mu bi city bekari kochi mor kichi nai sie be eta ko marisan fresh selection yo kari paranti eta contractual employee gram panchayat ro. Now it is panchayat bi change hegelani up to the now new gram panchayat eta no elected body asi gelani. That is up to them whether se rakhibe ki na rakhibe. Amo struggle stay pai kiye rahi palu na either she or me. Sie bahai ke banaja pallani mu gaar ro unemployed. ମୁଁ ଗାଁରେ still am there.
Okay, next.
Lordship, next देखो ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ଦେଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ compilation Lordship ଦେଇଛି. ସେ compilation ମୁଁ ଯୋଡେ କାଗଜ ଦେଇଛି. ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି ଯେ final select list ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ କରିଛନ୍ତି already କରିଛନ୍ତି ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଯୋଉଥିରେ ମୁଁ serial number ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ସେ challenge କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ. ତାପରେ Lordship ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ compilation ଦେଇଛି.
ଏଇଟା କଣ provisional? ଏ ଯୋଉ ଦେଖେ
ଏଇଟା provisional. ଏଇଟା Lordship just column 4 and 5. Lordship kindly column 4 and 5. 4 କହିଲା ଯେ first ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ list କରି
final କୋଟା final
ଟା ଯେଟା ଏବେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ଯେଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି that is ସେଇଟାକୁ Lordship that is ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେ challenge କରୁନା. That is not under challenge. ଏ ସେଇଟା no challenge kala how can unless that order is there technically it is premature.
Your name is
serial number 1 Khetra Mohan Sabha. Khetra Mohan ida ସେଟା ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ.
There is a final selection list, panel list. Is it panel list?
It's a final list এটা.
Panel list.
Final list ଆମେ ତା ପରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି.
GP which is issued on which date? এটা date ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏ यार ମାନେ ଏ document କଣ validity ଅଛି?
Document ମୁଁ ଖାଲି just ଯେହେତୁ counter file register file କରିନି.
Date ତ ନାହିଁ यार. କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା କି ଜାଣି
ନା date ମୁଁ ତ ସେମିତି ଦେବା ଦରକାର ସେଇଟା challenge क्या दरकार because I have obtained ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
even not a valid one date ନାହିଁ କିଛି
ନାହିଁ ସେତେ ମତ
ସେଟା merit list ଟା final merit list
Lordship direct I'll file an affidavit ତା file कर देବି ସବୁ ଏ document ଟା bio affidavit file कर
final merit list Mr. Mahanti କୋଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଲି annexure
that is not final merit list.
Final merit list that is the merit list.
Annexure କେତେ
merit list for ଯୋଗାଣ sir page 15 ରେ
ହଁ ସେଟା କେମିତି how can be
ଏଟା panel list ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି panel list ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ merit list ଦଉଛି
just ଦେଖ
page 15 of the brief.
ये merit list sir
merit final merit
panel
list
कौन
they have taken the ground in
panel list it is final list
they have taken the decision that as I
Lordship 3 is final list
no Lordship kindly see they ଆପଣ column 4 ଟା 5 ଟା ଦିନ ପଢୁଛି for preparation of GPU's merit list of the selection committee. First GP road selection committee merit list karibo, then it will go to sub collector the chairman of the committee, sub collector jo karibo that is final. Upon sub collector
approve karibo
sub collector no
merit even kari pathele se
he is a member Lordship he is the chairman of the committee.
ତ ସେ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ
Yes, Lordship, that is the matter. Lordship permit
ନା ନା
ମୁଁ ତ appeal ସବୁ document file କରିଦେବି. That is the government scheme. 2012 जो government scheme कला आपण जोगान साहेब, that is the crux of the scheme. Plus two pass करथिबे. He is the chairman of the committee. Lordship.
maybe
Lordship.
but approval or disapproval that power lies with him.
29/4
Lordship absolutely correct. कि ସେଇଟା ସେ challenge न करे कि एटा challenge सब collector ताकू
Anyway, okay, order is up next. Order is
Lordship आगु खाली मोटे written note टा दे दिबे खाली.
My lord, I am for opinion number 5. My lord, I am for opinion number 5, my lord. Sarpanch. My lord. Opinion number 5, my lord. Sarpanch, my lord.
से ग्राम पंचायत में appeal को सरपंच.
Sarpanch. My name be present, my lord. My name is present, my lord.
Appeal file करछि.
Okay, what is your name?
On behalf of Dilip Kumar Mahapatra.
You tell your name.
Balaram Behra, my lord.
Balram?
Behra.
Order is up. Next.
39.
Yes, ma'am.
39.
Yes, ma'am. No instruction.
No instruction.
Yes.
40.
Item number 40.
40 last. 40. 9. Order
So
40.
40 समझ गए
40.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा सिमिलर मैटर होते हैं how the last
What is the matter?
that this is a eviction of quarter gratuity has been withheld and it is
Eviction of?
the gratuity has been withheld by lot on the ground that we have not occupied the residential quarter by lot. This is a peculiar case. I placed how their government quarter a business is going on by lot. Well, at the time of Hirakud Dam was constructed by lot, the labor what was constructed in 1950 by lot, more than 200 by lot. Some there are more houses and that khapara and asbestos ghar by lot. And on that some houses was allotted to employees by lot. Rest houses are occupied by the outsiders by lot. But these three petitioners are low grade employees by lot. They have occupied the quarter after retirement by lot. They have charged my lot 5,850.
Retirement pare kahi rakhile
Well, they have no means.
No means well quarter
Well, some of them are already vacated.
that is not a ground.
Well, I am not saying that is not ground by lot. Well, they
आपण रिटायरमेंट कला पर मासिक दिवस रहबो तार आपण पूरा थ्रू आउट चार्ज करिवेनी and no means that is not a ground.
What they have done 5,800 where जो माने पब्लिक माडी बचली ताकू देर
that is not a ground sir. Public के माडी बसला कोन that is not the justification.
But that is the law.
No, that is not the law. Where is the law that public माडी बसला तुमको vacate the quarter. If you don't vacate, penal rent will be imposed on you. Simple, as simple as that.
I have stated that market rent may be charged.
Market नहीं, penal rate, penal, P-A-N-E-L.
May I submit? There is a resolution to that effect. That resolution have annexed in the counter. So after retirement, up to 4 months.
I'm get ready. Next week, I'm argument करेंगे. Let it be decided on merit.
से मेरिट तो मु डिसाइड करछि
नहीं मुझे
आगे तो मोर फाइनल वीडियो आपण सुनि दी थांतु आगण सुनि दी थांतु जदी आपण क्वार्टर टाइमली खाली न करिवे पेनल रेट देबे एटा होछि मोर डिसीजन
सेटा आपण डिसीजन हबा
सेटा मोर डिसीजन हबा
मना कोन किंतु मु
एटा का साइ कंपेयर करिवे ता साइ कंपेयर
करू जाय अरे गवर्नमेंट
इज ए फॉल्टी आर्गुमेंट
माटी रे घर तिरे जी 5,800 टका ना का लेबे पेनल रेट
छाड़ दो नंदी
देबेनी आ छाड़ दियंतु
छाड़ी
छाड़ी एते दिन कमे धरकी बसले आगु छाड़ी देली सेही बुद्धिटा आगु आइलानी कमे
सी आज्ञा बहुत कथा कहबे ताकर अछि
से कथा आपण भी तो बहुत कथा कहछंती
ट्रिब्यूनल डायरेक्ट करथिला as per service code 110 and 11 the how the quarter rent is to be assessed.
Is the matter being heard today? Then we'll argue the matter. Otherwise, adjournment will be taken.
The argument न करले तो प्रॉब्लम okay list the matter at 11th September. Okay, 40.
Item 48, my lord. Item 6 notice may kindly be issued.
41
item.
मुना से सुन